Alright, is it any better? And I don't know about the HD stuff, because, yeah. Yeah, well, I think the quality is pretty amazing in 1080p, actually. Oh, yeah, I think we've got audio. We've definitely got audio now. And let me just kind of, yeah, okay, cool. Let's turn up the desktop volume as well. Quality is fine for me. He says it's gonna fix it. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, it's cool now. Whew, I'm terrible at streaming. Haha. Anyways, we've got 8 people. I guess we're good to start. Hopefully. Maybe we're good to start. Are we good to start? Okay, so, hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tinyosin1, and today, I honestly have nothing to do. Like, I just got free. I was like, okay, free and stuff, and look down at character. How do you make the sun effect? Okay, the sun effect you're talking about, first of all, Z Demi. I have no idea how to pronounce your name. I'm really sorry, but it's just image effects. So check this out. Boom, no sun effect. Boom, sun effect. It's just the bloom image effect with the lens dirt texture applied over it. So that's that. And no, I'm not using a cookie or anything like that. So yeah, smartless gamer, I'm not using that. I'm just using a bloom effect with dirt texture overlay, you can say. And as for, okay, Davy D. Nail. Okay, I'm terrible at names. God, someone kill me. Okay. Can you make a tutorial on how to set up animations of an FPS game? Example, I look down and the character moves. So you mean, so like, what do you mean? Kind of like looking up and down for the third-person character? Like, you know, moving your head up, moving your head down. Like, for example, you're talking about the multiplayer, or are you talking about FPS multiplayer, or are you like third-person characters? Such thing, like, I don't know. Like the one I showed in my first update of the FPS update. Is that what you're thinking? Yeah, you can find it in my lighting graphical techniques. Yeah, go check that out. I'm not gonna leave a link in the description, but yeah, it's check out my lighting graphical techniques playlist. And okay, yes, I'm working in UE4. I have no idea how it works. Like, okay, like I'm so terrible at this. Like, I've literally no idea how to do stuff. So I've got lots of projects. I've got lots of example projects and stuff. And I was actually messing around with the content examples. It looks amazing. It's amazing. Okay, multiplayer, single player. I look down and the character bends. Okay, so you mean like when you're seeing the other character, and you know, if the guy over the network you're seeing, he looks up, then his spine moves up, and if he looks down, his spine moves down, stuff like that, right? Yeah, actually that's the way I did it, which I don't think I can actually show you right now. Can I show you right now? Let me think. Do I have an example left of that? I don't think I have any right now, but the way I did it was using IK. So if you're aware of the look at IK, which I'll just show you in a second, actually, you'll probably see my stream here. You look at how many tabs I've opened. I'm such a peasant. I was surfing through YouTube videos because mine suck. Like, look at this. Oh, oh, oh boy. Okay, so I used look on animator move. I hope there's nothing bad here. Okay. Add a motion. Oh no. Unity and not animator move. Animator IK. I'm sorry. I'm terrible at this. Okay. So you see there is a mechanism animation plus set look at position. That is the one I used. Something like that. I mean, set look at position, set look at weight, and stuff like that. Like, it takes an awful lot of time. So the thing which you want to do is actually put this, I think, in the on animator move function. Yeah, on animator IK function. Let me see if I can just put this here so I can at least see the chat. Or maybe I can pop it out. Pop it out. Cool. That's a better alternative, most likely. Alternative. I don't know. For IK for foot. Yeah, I think it's okay. There's not really much to it really. I mean, you're talking about the feet correction, right? So you know, where slopes, your feet don't like go under the floor or something, right? That's okay. But don't keep it synced. Okay. So when you're using the IK, don't sync it over the network. Just use it the way you're using it. Okay. So basically, like if you're using the IK for feed correction, just use it locally, and the guy over the network will see it, but it won't be connected over the network. Like, you know, you won't be sending any values over the network. I don't know if you're getting it. I have no idea how to explain it. But yeah, you can use it. There's no issues basically with that. And here's the unanimated IK, so if you want to check that out. Basically, there's anim.setLookAtPosition. So this is the reference to our animator. This is the look at position, which is basically you tell where do you want to look. You can basically make it camera.main.transform.forward. It's better to store reference to your camera, actually. Would you recommend exporting the gun with arms attached, or export the gun itself and use IK targets? I would say export the gun with the arms attached to it. Because with the arms, you usually, it's, you know, the way it is actually, if I can actually show you, and no, I can understand you perfectly. Samuel, yeah, Samuel. I think I pronounced that right. As for Unreal, I'm still messing with the blueprints, but as a programmer, I find that I'm really uncomfortable with blueprints, and I would love to jump into C++ right away, but I'm actually doing a course for C++ because I'm terrible at C++. But yeah, I'll definitely work around with it. So this is the way this is, anyways. So this is basically, oh my god, no. How do I even rotate shit? I forgot everything. God, what were the controls like for real? Shift, no, okay. Maybe I can just go to the object mode first of all. Is my mouse even right? Oh yeah, there we go, never mind. I'm terrible. Oh, yo, hey, No Brave Studio, damn, nice to have you here, man. Anyways, this is the way I was talking about the weapon, so it should be with the hands and with the weapon itself, so you can actually move the hands around. So if I go to I believe the pose mod, and I stick this, and I want to pretty much move it around, you can see I can animate it, and I can send it right away. And I can fix the hand position here, so no need for that. And yeah, blueprints are terrible. I mean, you pretty much have to use them more, you know, at one point, one stage or another, but yeah. Character controller is disabled on other clients, so I think there's no way to keep it without. Looks so jerky. Okay, right. Yes, I have no idea. Anyways, this is terrifying. Let me just move this here. I just feel kind of embarrassed whenever I see my stuff. And wow, my boy Mookie is here. Yo, Mookie, he's my boy. Okay, he's my boy. But anyways, yeah, no problem, Samuel, because that wasn't even that wasn't even helping. But there's no way. Okay, I don't know what you're talking about exactly, Smartless Gamer. Like you're saying you're talking about the IK, right? The foot IK, right? So I don't know why you would say that there's stuff and all about it, but honestly, I have no idea what I'm talking about either. Anyways, guys. So I actually have a few other things to ask, or yeah, I have some things which I want to ask as well, and which I want to share with you guys as well. So basically, let me just close everything if I can. So basically, this is one of the levels, and this is basically, you know, the screenshot which you see in my in the actual FPS tutorial. So if I open up, oh, by the way, I want to share some stuff with you guys. Like I love you guys. Okay. Look at this stuff. Am I a good streamer? Let me just show you the poll results. Obviously. And then there's 1me and Club Penguin Might. I forgot to add the might part, but I love you guys. Like, you chose the best responses instead of the boring ones. That's amazing. Can you show me how coding, multiplayer networking, and playing? coding multiplayer, honestly, is a terrible idea, okay? It's a terrible idea. Alright, it's a terrible... Oh, and No Brave Studio. Yes, I actually animated my AK-47, which is here. I animated this one myself, but there's this one as well, which is just amazing. I'm gonna kind of keep it like this small for now, but I'm gonna show you. This one is amazing, and actually a person helped me on this one, and I honestly don't know how to call their name because their name contains that word, a weird word in it. So, I mean, it's not their real name, obviously, but you know, the name I know them with. So Vuki has a wizard. So basically, that's his name. Amazing stuff. Anyways, he's amazing at animating. So he animated this another weapon for me, and I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Okay, so you think it's good to enable IK for a multiplayer game? Yes, it's okay to enable IK for a multiplayer game, definitely. But the thing is, don't what are you gonna say? Sync it over the network. Just keep it local. If you're experiencing issues, then maybe keep it extremely local so the other player can't see it over network. Just, you know, you can only see IK for your player or something like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, all right. So I think we should get to the common mistakes, and I'm gonna maybe just go ahead and show you guys some stuff. And I have errors in my project. Oh boy, that is terrible. Okay, so I'm gonna try playing this, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff which I have here. Yes. So I just got a new anime. Oh, nice, nice. Your team got it. Okay, amazing. Because honestly, I'm a terrible animator, and I would love to gather people around the world and build my own dream team, but I don't know. I just don't know. Like if I did that. Anyways, you're going. Okay. All right. See ya, man. Have fun playing Clash Royale. Okay. I have problems with that. I think I have to recreate my project from zero. Unity is good for cross-multi. Alright, see you, smartless gamer. Because honestly, I didn't understand your question from the get-go. But anyways, check this out, guys. I've got some amazing stuff for you, guys. I don't know, is it still working? Yes, it is. So, some really amazing graphical stuff with animation. So this is the animation, the weapon he animated for me. And by the way, guys, good news, the hands are free. Oh, shit, I'm gonna be so happy. Like how happy can you be when you see free hands? That doesn't sound appropriate, free hands. But like, check this out. This is the weapon sway. And this is what I was talking about when I said tilting. So you see when I move the weapon, it tilts really nicely, and I hope it's not dropping any frames, because if it is, okay, actually, yes, actually there might be a problem. It's actually consuming a lot of CPU performance, and dang it, I shouldn't have done it that much, but oh well. Anyways, so yeah, I think I can't really. Okay, boys, this is bad. I can't show you guys what's going on, honestly. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and check what's going on and how it's going on. I think I'm gonna have to like pause the stream and like restart it again, because it's throwing me errors. I mean, yeah, you'll probably see that it's lagging in between the weapon and stuff, so it's not a good thing. It's definitely not a good thing. Have you fixed the jumping bug in the FPS controller? The jumping bug? What jumping bug? You mean this one? Like when I'm in the air and I press the spacebar button and I release it, and when the character lands, he jumps again. So yeah, so you should only like it's like he puts the jump into a queue and he pretty much plays through. Like I pressed this button, I left it, bang, he's jumping. Jumped again. Anyways, I think it's lagging really, so I'm gonna restart the stream really. Or the stream. And yeah, I should have actually made this. Yes, I should have made this. Okay, maybe I don't have to restart it. I don't know. Maybe I don't have to. Do I? What does it say? It's got okay. Yes, I do have to restart the stream. Give me a second, guys. Just 1 second. And yeah, I fixed the jumping issue. I just restart. Okay. Just realized I was talking to myself for a second there. Is it back on, or? I hope it's back on. It would be terrible if it's not back on, actually, honestly. Yeah, I just restarted the stream. Cool stuff. And give me a second, just 1 second. Okay. Let me catch up. Yes, I fixed the bug. What's up? Yo, Kylan Zing. Zing? I'm sorry, how do you pronounce your name? Can you teach me, because I'd love to know. Can you give us a free download of this game, please? This is not a game. You can't call this a game. This is a terrible example. And I'll just play my game 1 second, okay? I mean, okay, just called it a game, and then I said this is not a game. I'm a terrible person, am I? Okay, let me just see if it's actually working and all. Is it actually playing and all, or no? Zings, like you say zing? Like, okay, cool. And yeah, as I said, this isn't a game, and you can't even shoot, literally, man. You can't shoot. That's terrible. Like, how worse can it get? Not being able to shoot is one of the worst things ever. It's like a nightmare. Oh, and the stream quality, I just realized, is terrible, but I don't care. Yeah, it's actually saying you're not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Will experience buffering. Oh boy, that's bad. It's really bad. Okay, anyways. Yeah, the quality is terrible. I should probably decrease the quality. I should probably decrease the resolution and compensate for the quality. What am I even talking about? Anyways, enough of the time. Enough time. I've wasted enough time. Let's get right on to common mistakes. So, there's questions and answers, which you guys can ask me and I'll answer. Common mistakes, Unreal Engine 4, and some university stuff. So let's go with the common mistakes, and just give me a second. I'm gonna drink my cheap juice. Oh boy. You have a knife too. I don't have a knife, actually. I really don't have a knife. Like, honestly, I'm not lying. Also, is there a reason for the laggy movement of the I'm just sorry. I think I don't know. I'm a bit used to typing. Nah, actually, when I rotated the camera, the quality is terrible. But anyways. Ooh, keeping yourself hydrated is the best feeling ever, man. Sounds so gay. Oh boy. Anyways, okay. So, just should I get on with the common mistakes part? Which, yeah, should I? May I, people? And okay, oh my god, it's bad. I have code of FPS you wanted. I'm sorry, I don't exactly understand what you mean. Okay, anyways, by the way, I was talking about this thing. Like, look at the weapon sway. So basically, I'm looking. You see, when I move the weapon, it like rotates as well. It's not just moving; it's rotating, man. How cool is that? And it kind of gives us this really nice feeling, like there's some actual, what can you say, weight to the weapon. Like when you move it, it's like it kind of offsets itself, tilts a little bit, and then comes back to the position. Doesn't come directly back. It tilts right, and then left, and then like comes back like that, kind of a really nice effect. I really love that. I honestly have no idea how I created it. I was just messing with the values, and I accidentally just ended up with this, and I was like, oh my god, I'm a genius. Anyways, yes, you said I should. Yeah, I should probably can say get on with the next part. And Uh-huh. Actually, how delayed is my stream? Cause like honestly, I'm trying to speak and stuff, and I think it's I think it's terrible. Okay, yes, the stream is terribly delayed. I really apologize for that. I have no idea what is happening. Goodness, my internet is like working like a charm today, but for some reason the streaming is not that friendly. Could be the ping or anything. But anyways, whew, I'm already tired. Let's close all the necessary stuff. Yeah, okay. So, I'll probably have to. Oh boy, no! Don't tell anyone I'm a weeaboo. Don't tell anyone, please. Okay. Let's open up. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead. Open up my project. Trying to go on my game, but Unity says that it should fix the bugs before I make an exe file. Yes. You probably have compiler errors. And honestly, I have no idea what kind of compiler errors you have. Probably in the console, if you see, it will show you certain errors and stuff. And make sure you have all these buttons ticked. Like this is off, this is on, so all three of these are on. So you see errors, warnings, and stuff like that. Okay, Para Gaming TV here. Hello, Yasin. I have a question about the last stream. Animation hands and feet of a man in a brown jacket when you ran. You've seen your body. You've done it yourself or bot. I've done that myself. I was really messing around with stuff. And oh, about that last project, actually. The last project went terribly amazing. I'm just kidding. It went horrible. But I would love to show you guys that one as well. Let me see. Ilya. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Really sorry for that, but it will be uploaded. The jacket guy one, or are you talking about the other one, the one I am showing you, the FPS one, because this won't be uploaded. Like, come on, man. Like, get a clue, man. I haven't uploaded a single project. I'm a terrible person. But anyways. Oh, and please invite your friends to stream, because this is terrible. 5 people are watching me. Dang it! I don't want to discuss stuff with only 5 people. Hopefully there are at least like 8, 10. That would be amazing, so I can actually clear some things up. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the scene for that guy. I really made it amazing. It's just the lighting, which is amazing, honestly. Other than that, everything is terrifying. But okay, check this out. Check this out, yo. This looks amazing, isn't it? Wow, this is amazing. Okay, other than the guy, everything is amazing. Okay, and this is the new AI, the new enemy, and I'll just have to do a really terrifying thing onto his face. Just oh my god, forgive me for this. And I think I messed up the camera. Oh my god. Why did you had to bring that up, Zing, Kylan Zing? Why did you had? I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for the happy Valentine's, but my girlfriend. Yes, my girlfriend. Yes, I will absolutely go out with her. If I fucking had one. Can I add a sad music on this? Wait, let me. Yeah, I don't know. Shit, how can? Never mind. And we're messing with stuff, aren't we? We're using this on the camera. We're using the new one. This one, I don't know where we're using, honestly. But wait, what was the issue again? Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Yeah, never mind. I got the issue. All right. Okay, so check this out, guys. This is amazing. No mic? Are you sure there's no mic? Because Video, okay, video output too low. Let me just give me a second. Are you really sure? Because honestly, I think there is. Yeah, mic is working. Mic is working, mate. Don't worry. Oh my god. Why do I say oh my god so much? Like if I had $1 for every time I said oh my god. Anyways, check this out, guys. You can see your feet. Oh my. Para gaming. I'm not gay, dude. Chill, man. I'm straight. I'm as straight as a freaking roller coaster. Wait, a roller coaster is not even freaking straight. Oh boy, that's terrible. But I'm straight. I can assure you that. Anyways. So check this out. The aiming is terrible. You can see the gun really jitters and moves ups and down and right and left. And I added a weapon model as well. Looks better, doesn't it? And okay. So should I really restart it again? Like I'll probably have to like restart it for a couple seconds and like come back after a couple like a little while. No, actually there is some real buffering. You'll probably see my my video after a long time buffering and stuff. Yo, sup, bro? Want some want some speed, yo? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna actually. I think I'm gonna. Should I restart it? Yep. So, I'm gonna actually stream on 720p. Sorry for that, guys. I'll have to stream on 720p because this is it's not good. And quality is super good. Yeah, amazing. And Joel, right? Someone tell me how to pronounce names, God's sake. Your down texture is so nice, you can upload it. I downloaded. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Oh. I think a good thing would be for me to actually, I don't know. Oh my god. Yo, penguin. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, actually, no. Shite. I'm so happy. All right. If no one's experiencing issues, then I think we should move on. Because I don't know what's happening really. Oh my god. Stop showing off. Paragaming. 10 MB per second. I wanna cry. Like, I have a terrible internet connection. At least the download speed is terrible. Yo, Vladius. Oh my god, I pronounced the name right for once. I kind of feel like I did. Anyways, okay. So, this is the part I was talking about. Yasin, I'm from Sweden, so you will have a hard time pronouncing it right. Yes, sure. I you know, you'll probably have a hard time pronouncing my name because, you know, I have a weird name and I honestly have no idea how to pronounce it in different accents. So I'm like, duh, let's go with Yasin. So yeah, I'm terrible at names, by the way. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. I managed to fix the aiming, but as you can see, when I move up and down, it's really jittery, it's really laggy-ish when it moves up and down, and I don't like that at all. Okay, we're live again, and I hope it goes fine this time. I'm streaming at 720p, terrible quality, hopefully not. Because honestly, I just kind of feel like a peasant while streaming at 1080p. Sorry, 720p. So, yeah, let me just switch to that and see if I can... how's the quality, guys? Hope it's good. Ooh, 11 people watching, yay! Just give me a second again. Yes, so we have 720p, 60 FPS. Quality seems about fine. And I think there's no real buffering either, so that's good. It's good enough, don't you think? For some reason, desktop audio is down. Okay, anyways. Back at it again with the wet wands. Terrible idea, isn't it? So let's talk about, yeah, thank you, Pingwing. It's probably less, it's not probably, like, the quality will be probably terrible, by the way. Just let me tell you that. Like, if I try to move it like that, it will be terrible. It will truly be terrible. I'll just see what I mean in a second. It is terrible. Well, anyways. So, dang it. I'm really terrible at streaming. You know, Father used to tell me, son, you'll never be successful at streaming. Yeah, never mind, I just made that up. Definitely. Yeah. Anyways, so that was a terrible joke. Was it a joke? So let's talk about common mistakes which most people, you know, face, or most people kind of do time after time. And what did I just did? I feel like I did something. I'm gonna close certain things. Most likely gonna close this. Should I close that? Let's close that. Let's close that. Let me just open up our tutorial project, which we were, you know, which we were actually on, which we were working on. So let's open that up, and I would like to talk about the common mistakes which most people make when they are new to programming. And there's like, by that I mean like a massive amount of people, majority of people actually make such mistakes. I've seen, and basically they say that they're just copying the script. First thing I would like to tell you when starting to code and stuff is like before you actually jump right on and think that you can make a big game or you can work on an actual FPS game, try to, you know, learn the basics of how coding works in general. So like by that you can say learning you know, learning C#, like based or relative to Unity. So in terms of Unity only, or learning C# in general. Learning C# in general is probably a better idea because you'll have a, you know, you'll know what you're doing and what's going on and stuff. But yeah, you can learn it in you know, Unity as well. But I just found that learning C# in general really helped me understand a lot of different new things and stuff. Anyway, so here we are in our weapon script. We're not going to release script today, hopefully. But yeah. So what do we have? It's just basic stuff, you know, the code, same old stuff. Nothing too much, right? So, you know, it might seem really complex all of a sudden. For beginners, they're just seeing what's written on the screen and they're just copying and pasting that stuff. Okay, I guess it's fine if that's what you want to do, but honestly, it's best to actually understand how things happen, how things work before you actually jump right into coding and just, yeah, honestly, I learned coding by copying pasting for freaking 2 years, and and then I actually went to the documentation and started learning from there. Yo, Claudia, how's it going? Ciao, is that how you say it? Ciao. Anyways, welcome. So, we basically, you know, the mistake which most people make, really common mistake, is semicolon. Goddamn. So basically, you don't write the semicolon. The code is like this. See that? It's barely noticeable. So I don't have a semicolon after this. After the line is ending. That's it. Yo, Immortal Viper, are you actually joining the stream or like leaving? I can't tell. I can't tell, but so most people don't have a semicolon in the end. Why would that be an issue? Well, you know, there's something called syntax. Now, I'm not going to really go into the detail and really explain it in a more of a technical manner. I'm going to just tell you the very basic definition of, like, in a very basic way as I can explain it to you. So, syntax. Programmers out there, everyone knows how to do that, how to, you can say, write code and stuff, but, you know, they'll most likely say, well, this is the most basic thing. Why would we ever experience this issue? You probably won't, but new people, you know. So syntax is like, you can say, punctuation. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh my god. So basically, if I'm saying, all right, I'm writing something. Honestly, my punctuation is terrifying. Like I don't know when to put a comma or when to put a full stop. But yeah. So for example, I'm writing, I am a cake, full stop. Now this has nothing to do with me in real life. I can assure you I'm not a cake. Okay, I could be something else other than a human being, but not a cake. But anyways, you see, there are two things in this kind of sentence which kind of makes it what it is. And the first one, which might not be an actual thing of the sentence itself, is the apostrophe, which you call it, which is this little thingy here, which I don't think I can really show you guys, but okay. This little thingy here, how do I even do that? There we go. So you see, I am, and then the I am has that apostrophe. So that's part of a punctuation. Punctuation. I'm gonna cry. And then there is this full stop, or I think what you guys call it, period. Yeah, American language and stuff. So those are the two things, okay? Just like that, you're finishing a line, okay? So there's like a statement, you're writing a sentence, you want to finish that sentence, you're gonna add a semicolon once that ends, once the sentence finishes, completes. Very basic thing, which a lot of people, by that I mean like a massive amount of people actually make a mistake. I actually repeat that time after time, and honestly, I don't have any idea. Oh my god, what did I just did? Okay, I didn't do anything. Let me just see. I'm gonna stalk some people. No, just kidding. Let's get back to the lesson thingy. So what else do we have? Now you might be saying, okay, well, Yasin, why don't we have a semicolon after this line, after this statement? Why don't we have a semicolon after this statement? This is like a sentence, you can say. All right. So you can say this sentence is kind of breaking down. It's kind of continuing. It's going in a continuous form. Goes from there, finishes there, and when it finishes, you just add a semicolon. And then if you want another statement underneath it, it will have another semicolon stuff. So basically, the thing is, when you're ending lines, don't forget to add a semicolon. Now, in cases of if statements, you don't add a semicolon. In cases of declaring functions, you don't add a semicolon. So there's a lot of exceptions there, but still. Like, for example, I've seen a lot of people like saying, well, we don't see our variables. Like, this is their variable, and it's written like this. And they write all the entire code, they copy it word to word, everything else, perfect, no issues at all. They forget this, they save it, they go back to the editor, and there we go. Unexpected symbol public in class. What's happening? What's going on? I have no idea. How is public unexpected? Well, there's a, I don't know if your compiler or your software, the software which you're using to code, actually shows you this, but there's this little, red line which kind of indicates that this is the error. This is where the error is. Or if you double click this, you double click this. Well, I guess you'll probably go to the line where it says where it tells you the error is, and most likely it's either on a line. It's most likely on the line which is above it. So this one in our case. And basically you can just add a semicolon and bam, it's fixed. Anyways, really basic stuff. Most people are not even interested. They're leaving. Like I had 15 people and now it's 10. I cry. But anyways, yeah, keep inviting your friends. Yeah, we're gonna have party tonight. By the way, feel free to ask me any questions. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to the chat now. Okay. I'm working on a super small project just to try out add force and rigid bodies and move game object with transform.translate. I have also fixed a jump and I check with raycast if I'm on ground. Okay, right. Joel, I'm sorry, I have no. So yeah, what is your point? What are you trying to say? You're working on a project, you're trying to use add force, instead you're translating with transform to translate. Why are you doing that? Like, what's the point? What are you trying to ask? Anyways, back to the thinking. So yeah, this is very basic stuff, coding and all, and I mean the coding itself stuff is maybe not that basic, but the mistakes which people face, mostly beginners, extremely beginners. Like I have faced this issue for months, for maybe years, because I was just so not into coding. Anyways, another tip for you guys, especially those who are getting into coding or getting into Unity in general, just take your time and just open a new tab, all right? Whichever browser you're using, type unity3d.com. Don't type unity.com, unity3d.com, okay? And just press enter. And if that key doesn't work, then I don't know if you... Anyways, so once you get to the Unity site, you can just scroll down and see the Get Started section and click on Tutorials to get started with Unity itself. Because a lot of people just come to me and they say, well, I'm new to Unity, where do I start? Now, I don't have any issues, guiding them, no matter how many times you ask me. But you could just go to unity3d.com, scroll down, under the Getting Started section, just click on Tutorials, and you'll just have all sorts of tutorials. And if you're confused which one to start with, it's best to not start with any of these. That would be a terrible idea. They're not exactly beginner tutorials. So scroll down and you can start with the topics, and you can start with interface and essentials. Okay, and from there you can just start watching all the series, and then just grab some popcorn. Maybe it's best to not grab some popcorn while watching the series. I honestly recommend, because you will not understand a single thing otherwise. You need to actually open Unity and try things out if you want to learn. And just watch all the tutorials you want and stuff. You can even watch the live sessions. They're amazing, honestly. I learned a lot of them. Learned a lot from them. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay. And another thing, if you're new to coding, I've a really amazing website for you to get started with coding. Honestly, it helped me a lot. Even after working on Unity for so many years, I didn't really went too deep into coding. And it's just, yeah. So there's a website called SoloLearn.com. Oh my god, there's no such website as that? Are you sure? Let me just search SoloLearn. Yeah, there is a website like that, definitely. I don't know why this not working. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, SoloLearn is just a basic website you can use to learn C++, C#, Java, HTML, PHP, CSS, all sorts of languages. And just let me log in, because I don't want to get hacked, please. Because there was a Russian hacker who was... I have nothing against Russian. I honestly love Russia, sort of. But there was a Russian hacker who was just behind me. If he's just not leaving me somehow, I guess. And I think he's... No, he's not on my back anymore, but maybe he is. But yeah, anyways. So here we are. So this is okay, anyways, Eagle Hunter PD Yasin. Yasin, you gotta add an E after. Never mind. I'm working on a realistic construction simulator. Oh, that's amazing. So, like, realistically constructing, like how do you actually put things yourself? You pick them up or something? Because I've never seen a realistic construction simulator, so I can't really imagine on. Sorry. Samuel, Photon and Unity or Unit, definitely Photon. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Eagle Hunter, because Photon has been out for quite a long time now, and it's amazing. It has amazing support. It has loads of tutorials. It has loads of documentation, examples, all sorts of things. You'll most likely have a really great time using Photon instead of Unit. Unit has terrible documentation. It's horribly broken, and you know, honestly, I didn't have a good time with it. But anyways, so on the SoloLearn website, you can learn all sorts of things. Like you can download the app for this, just one single app, and you'll have everything in your smartphone. That's how amazing is that? Like learn everything on the go. I mean, you can't really learn everything on the go, but you can go to the courses then, and you can start with C++, Java. Honestly, I went with the C# tutorial. Actually, it wasn't tutorial. Was it tutorial? Let me see. Yeah, it was tutorial. Never mind. And then you can start with you see there's loads of lessons. Oh my god, there's 69 lessons. I'm gonna make a joke here, so don't sue me for that. You'll most likely get what I mean by 69, but anyways, so we have module 1, basic concepts. No problem, Samuel. Eagle Hunter is probably more experienced than me, honestly. Because I don't know. Okay, so what is C#? What is C#? Variables, their first C program, all sorts of things, and then you have a quiz afterwards. It really helps, kind of stuff. And this is not all. Like, you actually have a really amazing community. So after each question, you answer. If it's wrong or correct, you can just go to the comments. You can see. You can type your comments. I don't know, talk with people, interact with people. It's really amazing. I loved it. I finished the entire course, I believe, and it just says that thingy here. I don't know why it just says that. And if I go to my profile, I've finished it. Yeah, baby, I've finished this course. Yeah. Like I can show you my certificate. My certificate. Oh, I'm not gonna show you. You're gonna copy that. Anyways, that is something for if you want to just get started with C#. Amazing stuff. You'll learn lots of it. The best thing is to actually, after learning it, try to do it yourself. Try to challenge yourself. Okay, tutorials, it's good and all, but tutorials without actually challenging yourself or trying things out they're useless. There's something like having a car, but not having any fuel to run it on or something. Like you're in a desert and you have a car but you don't have any fuel. You can't just drag it everywhere and stuff, right? Can you? Unless you're Superman or something. I don't know, you wouldn't need a car then, would you? Okay, so what else do we have here? Right, this project is so boring. Like I can go ahead and make this amazing right now, but I want people to keep up. I don't want to just go ahead and just rush things so people don't understand anything and stuff. I mean, I'm most likely going too slow with my tutorials, but I just don't know. Okay, so maybe what should I do next or say next? Anyone got any questions or answers related to what I was talking about, or anything else which is related to coding in general, or maybe my personal life, which is terrible. But yeah, honestly, I love my life. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's it's no longer Valentine's Day. It's 15th of February. Oh yeah. By the way, I finished my dinner, and when I was talking about laggy character, I was not talking about the stream, but about yeah, I actually got what you were saying, David. I think I'm gonna call you David. David sounds cool. Damn. And yeah, I think you were talking about the first person character being laggy. Yeah. Like how he moves when he moves, that there's this very sudden camera movement and stuff, I think, which honestly I don't like, and that's just a part of the FPS controller. I managed to fix it. If you see my tutorial on the improving head bobbing, then I think you'll pretty much find that and stuff. Anyways, so what else did I wanted to talk about? Unreal Engine 4. Okay, let's get on with Unreal Engine 4. And I actually have a really different thing to talk about, and I think most people will just say no to that. I mean, there's just 10 people watching. If there were hundreds, then maybe I would have a chance. But yeah, and honestly, just 10 people. That's not the thing. Like 10 people, that's a load. That's a lot of people. Like, you know, you have your own personal class. It's amazing. Thank you for being here with me. How do you apply image effects in scene view? Honestly, I have no clue. I think the image effects which I'm using right now are the ones which actually work in the scene view as well. So if you want to know where I got those image effects from, then I'll just show you in a second. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. Oh, by the way, I was talking about the pool results. I'm going to get back to that real quickly. So I think it was GitHub. Yes. So here's the website. I'm just going to drop that down. Probably will be a bit delayed, so you'll probably get that after a second. This is where you can find the image effects. Don't download the clone from here because that doesn't work really nicely. It's best if you go to, I believe you go to the quick start guide. Yeah, is there someone outside us whistling at this time of the night or morning? I don't know. Anyways, so you go to the getting started quick start guide. And you go to the download latest build. You can download the beta 4 build, which is amazing. All the image effects, they work in real time, and they're amazing. Okay, they're just amazing. You can just mess around with them. They have all the image effects in one place. They don't have lens, you know, that fisheye-ish effect and stuff, which I honestly don't like. I mean, I love that effect, but the fact that they don't have it, I don't like that. But anyways, so as for the poll results, as I said, so I love you guys. Anyways, I actually made a poll saying, should I explain everything in detail or not? And 19 people actually responded to it, and I was amazed by how many people responded to say that I should explain everything in detail. So I will be, but I'll try to keep my explanations better because I just realized that my Weapons Way tutorial had horrible explanations. Terrible. Like, I could have explained things a lot better and like in a lot less time, but I don't know. Maybe I was I don't know. Anyways, then there's I don't know why I even put it there, but well, 3 people are saying me to shh. Like, I seriously love you guys, man. No homo. I just it's amazing. And yeah, kawaii potatoes. I'm amazed by the response. By the response. 13 people like kawaii potatoes. Yes. Potatoes for life. And I should probably take off my headphones. Oh my god, I sound terrible without my headphones on. Oh yeah, I sound a lot better with my headphones on. Like, without them on, I sound terrible. Damn. And then there's Yasin, please. You know, the dignified please is what I meant by that. Nobody said you, at least. Like, I'm a potato myself. I would be offended if you said ew. I would be so offended. I'm just sorry. And yeah, tutorials. I already talked about this in a video, so let's not talk about it. It'll be a shame. So back to well, Unreal. Not back to exactly, but Unreal. Something I really loved about Unreal, and I think I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys. This software you see is amazing. It's an amazing game development engine. Now, most people might even leave me right away. You'll say, "Oh, he's an Unreal fan. Oh no, oh no, the disease is spreading." I'll just run away. But hopefully you can stay, because yeah, I'm actually an Unreal peasant now. I no longer like Unity. I'm just kidding. I've worked in Unity for 7 freaking years. How can I just freaking leave that, man? Okay, is it even running? Okay, it's definitely, sorry, it definitely is. Let's wait for that. This is gonna be so boring. But I just wanted to show you the beauty of Unreal, which you probably have seen already. Oh my god, is that Levy? Okay, I'm just, oh boy. Sorry. Let me just see if I can go and, open up the map showcase overview. I don't know, showcase overview. Which one should I try? Let's try showcase. Please load it quickly, for God's sake. Please load it quickly. Please load it quickly. It took me like freaking 15 minutes to load it last time. If it took more than like 1 minute or 2 minutes, then I want to most likely close it. Because I don't want to keep you guys waiting on the stream. This isn't even a non okay, it's actually loading faster. Oh my god. Okay. What's that? Oh, never mind. Look at that, guys. Let's give you a second. I just switched to immersive mode. It's still streaming the textures. The texture quality is terrible. I just stream the textures, and I'll just show you how this is. Come on, do it already. Okay, my PC's my processor is honestly pretty shitty when it comes to developing stuff or running multiple apps at the same time. So there it is. It's streaming textures nicely. So apparently Unreal is a lot more powerful when it comes to, you know, the fight or the versus between Unreal and Unity. Why would I say it's a lot more powerful? Well, most people already know. Well, of course, most people already know, but Unreal basically, you can basically edit everything. It gives you the power to edit the minor details as well, really minor details. But I think Unity just gives you, but it's kind of limited. Then you know, it's actually a lot more complex compared to Unity, though. You know, it has a lot of built-in features. For example, it has a material editor. So, for example, if I click on this, you see it has a material, and I double-click on the material, and just give me a second. I'm gonna open up the material. This will be a terrible idea, actually. Should I open it up? No, this is gonna compile the shader, isn't it? Don't compile it, please. God's sake, don't compile it. Okay, never mind, it's not compiling. So this is the material editor. Check this out. This is the material editor. This is basically the same thing as a shader in Unity. So instead of instead of pre-made shaders or a standard shader like Unity have, you can have loads of materials. I mean, you can have shaders in Unity as well, loads of shaders. But this just gives you so much more power, and honestly, I have no freaking clue what is happening. Which is it's really kind of a downside for me, like a programmer. But you can just download materials, and just you can create instances of a material. So basically, this is an instant of a material, if you look closely, and basically you can change, you know, certain values of that. For example, the texture, the normal map, and the certain values like brightness, and you know, all that kind of stuff. So basically, you can if you don't think you're really, you can say, comfortable by making your own materials, then yeah, you can just download free ones. And yo, lost conflict. Are you a conflict who's lost? But test. Oh my god, this is horrible. Okay, anyways, and I think you can't really see anything there because the material was basically supposed to, I think, yeah, it's just a black volume of nothingness, basically, if I analyze it, yeah, I don't know. But basically the thing was to just create a material. Yeah, it is Unreal, and yeah, hey, again, lost conflict. I was using Unity just a moment ago, but now I'm using Unity. Unreal. They both start with the U, okay? It doesn't matter is what I say. Anyways, terrible graphic power. Like, look at that, damn. This isn't even a 3D model. This is okay. Actually, it might be a 3D model. I could be wrong, but I do believe this is yeah, this is using a parallax shader. Okay, it's compiling shaders. God damn it. Sorry, man. I'm gonna stay on both sides. Okay. Okay, look at that. Look at the freaking beauty of it. I think this is using a displacement map, and it just this is amazing. I mean, you can do the same thing in Unity as well, but not with the standard shader in the least. Basically, it's using world displacement, and it's, I think, using tessellation to increase the poly count. So that really that really allows it to bump it up without actually looking low poly as hell or something. And I don't know what those values. I have no idea how to work with this editor. I just know you can just link these up or something. And hey, and Enrique Rena, is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry. Oh, Lost Conflict. Oh, 2 days ago. Oh, did you sub me because of my Unity tutorials, or are? I'm sorry. And thank you for actually subscribing to me, because honestly, I'm having a hard time collecting subscribers, and that does changes a lot of things. Honestly, I kind of value my subscribers, every single one of them. I'm a good guy. I'm so good. I'm not that good. Anyways, photorealistic stuff. Oh, by the way. Oh, Spanish sub. Oh, dang. Can you sing me a Spanish song or something? Oh, and check this out. A terrible example. I don't know, for some reason I couldn't get the... Oh. I just realized something. Ah, shit. Well, anyways. I know this is terrible. Oh my god, how can I jump out of this place? I just made it so you can walk. Oh, I see. Lost Conflict. And really, Enrique, sing a song for me, a Spanish song. Honestly, I've just listened to like one Spanish song and I love that. My cousin like really loves singing too. Oh my god. So, anyways, yeah, cool stuff. Maybe. Also, I've got some other stuff as well. So maybe I can say open project. Content examples. He's stuck in no, actually yeah, you can say he's stuck in mud, because he actually just defied the laws of physics and gravity and collision. Well, just faults in physics to start with. So anyways, Unreal provides you with this really amazing example project. Look at this shit. Content examples. It's full of freaking examples. It's a massive project. Comes with amazing examples, which apparently I still haven't got the time to mess around with them entirely. Like, I've wasted loads of time on Facebook, and I'm really guilty of that, and I feel like I'm a total peasant for doing that, but sorry. And seriously, do I really pronounce your name wrong, Enrique Rena? Because I'm really sorry. I have a Spanish friend called Enrique. Is it a common name in Spanish? Superior to physics? Yeah, he doesn't care what physics thinks. You know, I don't follow rules. The hell was that? No, I do what I want, definitely. So, if you're Asian like me, you can go and open a math hall. Oh my god, did I just give out my identity and where I live? Are there gonna be kidnappers coming over my house tonight? Good Spanish song. Isel El Bailey. What? I'm gonna sing. Oh, never mind. Okay. Let me show you some cool stuff with animation here. Oh, by the way, it will really mess up your mind, so brace yourselves. Hopefully it doesn't mess up your mind. Please play. Yeah, okay, thank you. Some cool stuff. Okay, so what is this? This is just playing an animation. That's it. What is this? Now, this is just some examples of how you can trigger an animation. Like, you can trigger it directly, or you can trigger it using, I believe, animation blueprints, which is this thing which triggers it smoothly, triggering it directly. It's like that. So basic stuff. This is just example of the blend spaces. I'd be like, yeah. So it's something like in Unity you have blend trees. This is really similar to that. And I actually tried messing with it, but I still don't know much about it, honestly. So yeah, cool stuff. Then there's direction, where you're moving and stuff, and all that. So yeah, again, it says backwards, right, forward. I don't know if you can see that with the horrible stream quality. If you can just full screen that. And you know, aiming. Which I think this is a blend between animations, honestly. I could be wrong. I think this is a blend between animations because it's just too perfect. It can't be this perfect. And yeah, honestly, we should really sing a song. I don't know. I really wish I could contact you guys like on the voice call or something, so we could actually sing. You could actually sing me some song or something. Okay, animation montage. This is just I don't know. I have no idea what montage is, honestly. I don't even know what the word means. Damn, my English is terrible. And this is, well, if you've heard of curves in Unity, which are also something I've never used. Well, okay. Oh, he's smelling some stuff. Oh, nice. Look at the material. And that's high definition as hell. When you tell lies, so your nose just sticks out, and then you just see if if you've taken a bath for years. Help. Okay. And okay, just that stuff. Nothing, Enrique. I'm actually still on Unity. If you want, I can switch to Unity, but give me a couple minutes. I think there are no Unreal users at the moment. It's just me. Okay, and this is some really amazing stuff. Foot IK, which I think it's free in Unity now. It wasn't for a long time. It was free with the original animation system, but the mechanism animation system wasn't. So you can just see that the foot actually lands on the surfaces and doesn't go through it. This is going through the example and stuff. Sure, Lost Conflict. I will definitely make them multiplayer series. You mean like the updates? I can show you right now, actually. It's going terrible. And this is just the root motion stuff. Moving someone with root motion, moving him without root motion, you know. Basic Unity stuff. Oh, this one. I love this one. Check this out, yo. This is so smooth. Oh my god. Look at that ass. It's so fucking flat. Oh boy. It's like a freaking cuboid or something. And I love the way he moves. He's moving not based on his root motion, by the way. He's moving based on, like, he's moving like an FPS controller. The animations are actually synced with his velocity, and you know. And this is one of the ways I actually made one of my characters move in Unity as well. Yes, exactly, Enrique. That ass is something you should compliment. You should compliment. Okay, anyways, let's get rid of him. Can I? Okay. Overriding animations and derived animation blips. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what that is. Okay, I have some idea that is. You know, just ignore. Don't ignore this stuff. Retargeting, like Unity 5 or well 4 as well. Hand IK. So you know, if you want to correct the animation, you can see his hand is going through the weapon. Here, it's actually fitting onto the weapon and stuff like that. Okay, and this is again another example of IK. So this is the original animation. This is without IK. This is with IK correction after retargeting. So lots of cool stuff. Honestly, the stuff I really love is the rendering. I don't know if I can just kind of go ahead and show you guys. One of the rendering is the level design workflow. I'm just going to show you how amazing this is. I like to craft my own tools in Unity. Eagle Hunter, yes, exactly. It's more. I honestly think it's a lot. It's a little more fun to craft your tools in Unity yourself. But you know, if you're talking about editor tools, then I'm horrible at editor coding. I wanted to get into it honestly, but I don't know. Maybe I'm scared. I'm not scared. I kind of did got into it, but yeah. Okay, this is taking some time to load. Please load level design workflow. Come on, man. My brother gets okay. Yeah, it's definitely loading. Oh my god! I just unconsciously open up Facebook. Sorry, guys, you have to experience such delays. Stop fucking loading the light maps, man. Should I just close this? Is there any such thing as IK in Unity, and what does IK? IK means inverse kinematics, which I have no idea what that means. Let's search. Let's search, kids. Let's learn what IK is. Inverse kinematics Unity meaning. Yeah, I do know about shaders in Unity, but honestly, I've never done shader coding. It's just one of the things which I've never touched. I don't know why. I guess I'm not really an artist. I mean, I can draw a little bit, just characters and stuff. If you guys watch anime and like kind of weeaboo like me and stuff. Okay. So you can read the definitions here. I've changed the Unity 5 code like that code that made. Oh damn, Eagle Hunter. Damn, you're making me jelly, man. You wanna show me some stuff because I would. Oh no, don't. Okay, that was terrible. Let's try with the default player start. Okay, so this is basically teaches you how you can create a level. Prototyping, putting up some blocks and stuff, putting some lights, and look at the graphics. Like even if it's a prototype level, the way it just works is amazing. Let me just go here. Then this is another. Let me just show you the final product. This is the final product. I don't know if you can. Okay, wait a second. Let me turn up the audio as well. How do you actually play it though? Oh shit! I forgot the button for playing. No, there's no button for playing. Is there? No, there is. Alt P. I was pressing Control P. Alt P. Come on. There we go. Anime. Oh my god, Enrique. Lost Conflict. Thank you, man. I love anime, honestly. I love it. I'm not exactly a weeaboo that would say, okay, anime is everything. I mean, it is love. It is life. That's one thing. But it's not the same as saying that anime is superior to. I don't know what I'm saying. So talking about anime. This came. Oh my god, really? I was actually planning on watching some anime right now. I don't know which one. Like I have a horrible taste in anime, by the way. I think I was watching Nanbaka Season 2. Yes, there's a lot of ads there. Ignore those. Yeah, I just finished the Season 1. I loved it. Honestly, I was watching it while doing stuff, but yeah. Anyways, check this out. The rendering is terrifying. That literally looks photorealistic. I mean, it could have been better, of course. As I'm not an artist, I really can't complain, but and this is one of the things which Unreal really wins in, and that is the rendering. And I think this is oh my god, the sound is too much. And finally, let me just show you a couple more things if I can, so I can just wrap this up afterwards, because I was just I'm terrible in Unreal Effect. Oh yes, I was actually watching Tales of Zestiria until a while ago. Yes, definitely. I have a break next week. I hope you stream. Sure, Eagle. Eagle Hunter, because I would honestly love to meet you and like talk to you about editor tools, Unity stuff. Honestly, I'm terrible in editor coding, as I said so. How to pronounce that? God. All right, and I don't know if I will stream next week because I don't know. Exams are 1st of March. Ooh, I've got a lot of time. I should definitely party. Hell no. I should actually sleep right now, but I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna break the rules. I hope I don't have to pay badly for that. I was studying physics, man. That sucks. I mean, as an Asian, I honestly need grades, bro. Okay, let's see if I can play this and show you guys some stuff. So this is parallax mapping, which mostly you guys have heard, and this is kind of really terribly amazing. See this guy? See this thingy? So you see this object is like a flat object, looks like flat, right? Like with the normal map and all. This is kind of the same exact object, but with parallax mapping. And check this out. This is flat, okay? No vertices. Check this out, man. Like, you see how you kind of start getting that distortion effect? It doesn't have actual depth to it. but it looks like it has. It looks like it's actually there, and it has some real depth to it, man. Like, I don't get it. This is terrifyingly amazing, honestly. And yes, I do think Unreal is really worth it. Like, it's really complex comparing to, you know, Unity, but it's worth it. And honestly, I'm not in the university right now. I'm about to attend the university, and about that, I don't know if there are people around here, but I'm actually thinking of going to Canada. I like a couple of choices for studying abroad. So I've America, okay, so USA, UK, Canada, or Australia. Okay, so those are like the 4 countries I can go for higher education, and I actually wanted some advice on that from people. So can anyone actually get me that? Like, seriously, like, I've never stepped out of my country ever, and you know, I've heard that you've really got to, you know, of course, university costs are extremely high, so it does takes a lot of time and stuff. A lot of effort. And no, I'm not switching to Unreal Enrique. I'm learning Unreal because I'm really curious for knowledge, and I'm really excited how Unreal is. I love it so far, and I'm really excited to try out all sorts of all features and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead, try it out, but most likely when I'm extremely free, because right now I'm just looking through examples. I'm gonna really go and just read everything. Just get all the examples and stuff. Anyways, so you were talking about the university. Oh wow, they actually have shadows with parallaxing. Damn. And there's some blending and geometry tips, advanced room. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, that is terrible. What? Yeah, that's terrible. It doesn't happen there, does it? Yeah, it doesn't happen there. But again, they're just flat surfaces. I'm 12 years old, but I want to be an engineer. Oh, really? Dang. Oh my god, I have lots of youngsters here. Honestly, I'm not that old. Psst, wanna know my age, guys? You probably don't want to know my age. But yeah, 12 and 13. Nice. I mean, 13 is not really that young. 12 is kind of young, honestly. I don't know. It's just a 1 year difference, but. And honestly, I want to be an engineer as well. Kind of not an engineer, game developer, more like. But I'll have to do computer sciences, I believe, because that will give me multiple choices. So as a programmer, I can work in a software industry if I don't get a job in game development for some reason. But as a game developer, I would love to just work on game development all day and night. Hopefully not that much, but you know, still kind of. I used to be an engineer, still kind of do. Used to want to be, okay, sorry, still kind of do. Oh, nice. 50. Wait, Francis, you're 50? Really? Actually, that's really amazing. Because honestly, I saw there. Okay, let me show you guys some stuff. Please don't. Okay, let me just. Okay. Oh, nice, Enrique. So you started at 13. How old are you now, if you don't mind me asking? With C++, I started when I was 11, but with C#, now I switched to Unity 3D. Nice. I'm actually getting into C++, kind of slowly, but yeah. And I started with C# myself. Yeah. I actually started with JavaScript, honestly, not C++. JavaScript and Unity, and was terrible. It was really easy to code, but like my code was broken, so broken that I can't imagine. And Francis, let me show you some stuff, because there's actually a lot of people in that age group who are like, oh wait, man. No. Well, I could be 50 actually, you know, you never know. Francis is right. I'm 50. I'm immortal. I started with programming when I was 10, Java. And Enrique, how is it possible? How are you 17? Because guess what? I'm 17 as well, yo. I'm actually not 17, I'm 16. Shit, I told my age to everybody. Oh my god. Dang. And I started when I was 10. So like in 2010, but I barely learned anything in the 2 years, so I kind of consider myself starting in 2012. It was amazing, honestly. I discovered Unity in 2010, and I just used loads and loads, but I never got into coding much. Oh, that's a horrible map. Okay, this is what I love. Oh boy, I love the terrain. I love how it just gives the fake, effect, which looks so real. It's so fake, but it's so real. Like, it's a terrain. It doesn't actually have 3D rocks over it, but the parallax mapping just makes it look like it does. That's amazing. And Francis, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Yeah, gotcha. Alright. And then, I mean, yeah, yeah, right. Do I? Started coding when I was 11, but I'm working on projects with my friends now. No, you're... Well, Eagle Hunter, you might not be wrong, because I'm old. Same, I barely learned anything until now. I see. Well, I went into documentation, tutorials. I don't know, tutorials honestly didn't help me too much from the start. And I was naive. It's called naive, right? Right, people. But yeah, that was one thing. And what's this? Oh, another one of the. Okay, that's weird. I should stop. Can code. Oh, nice, Francis. Because honestly, I want to be able to code and model at the same time. And you're 22. Nice. You know, I really love. I would really love to 3D model. Honestly, I'm terrible in 3D modeling and texturing. I can rig though. All the ages have been really. Yes, lost conflict. The secrets. This live stream is definitely to reveal a secret. I should take it down afterwards so people don't know that I'm 16. Freaking 16. Most likely people will like, oh no, I'm unsubscribing for this guy. He's 16, yo. How can he teach shit? Well, they might not be wrong. Started with C++, and now I know all the easy things such as JavaScript, C#, PHP, HTML5, jQuery, and now I have a little bit of Blender modeling, trying to learn everything. Honestly, Enrique or Rena, I don't know. I'm actually trying to do the same exact thing. I love coding, but at the same time, I want to be able to model as well. And yeah, I got into PHP, HTML5 as well. jQuery, I don't know, I kind of got into that as well. I used it. But I think I kind of used a lot, loads. Like, I have a website which is terribly broken if you want to check that out. And yeah, and honestly, I would love to be like the one-man army guy who can model, texture, animate, code. I mean, it's practically impossible, despite having everything, all sorts of talents, to make your own entire game from scratch, I guess. But yeah, I mean, you can kind of do it. It's not that impossible, but you know. I can only rig, not good at texture and animation, still learning. Oh, that's alright, because if you can model, that's an amazing talent. Because I can't. I can barely model like a cube, and I'm like, oh, I modeled a cube. Yeah, like, you know, when you open up a software and you present it with a cube, yeah, that's what I can do. Only rig and animate, more animation than rigging. Animating is actually one of the best talents, honestly, I think, because I can't animate either. Goodness, like, I can do all sorts of little things, but mostly no. Okay, let's open up Unity and let me show you guys some stuff. I have a bad web page. I have a bad web page as well, and I'm actually I actually teamed up with a guy, and we were on making a RPG game. Really interesting story and stuff, but too bad we broke up. Like, we weren't gay. I'm not talking about like our team broke up. And we had lots of people. That was back in 2015, I think. And I'm lazy to finish games, honestly. So you know, Lost Conflict, you should definitely show me some of your animation stuff. And Francis should definitely show me some of his modeling, because those are some amazing talents. I really look up to modeling and animating, because that's amazing. I don't know how people do it. I code only works in Chrome. Oh, my website, I think it works in Firefox and Chrome both. Yeah, not in not in Internet Explorer, definitely. I'm doing 2D animation course. One-man army programming, audio creation, modeling, and animation. Yeah, right. If you want some models, I'd give some to you so you can send them in tutorials or whatever. Yeah, actually, I would love to do that, but you know, I would love to promote you, so maybe you can kind of show me some stuff. Well, actually, I would love to just see your models and stuff. Yeah, sharing is caring. True. Yay, free models for life. Eee. I had modeling as well, but then decided to start small with low poly models, and now I'm pretty good at modeling, I think. Oh, nice, Samuel. That's news to hear. You should also show me some stuff, because if I show you my modeling, you'd be terrified. Anyways, this is not what I was supposed to open. Oh boy, what the hell? I'm unconscious. Are you interested in my first Unity project? Sure, you can show me. Where could we get a hold of you? Skype? Like, yeah, definitely Skype. So if you want to check, like, add me on Skype, which is I think Yasin.Mujahid. I think it's I don't know. Yeah, you know my name just with a dot and not capital. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and add me on that, and I can talk about it. I would definitely love to see that time. I'm excited. I'm already excited. Check out it's an open universe space survival game at Unity 5 graphics is. Let's see. Let's see how that is. Honestly, I'm scared of opening YouTube in front of you guys. Oh my god. Don't do it. It's terrible. Let me just search it. Like, it's full of shit. Okay, developers, let's play. Wait, I feel like I've seen this. Oh my god. Wow, that looks amazing. Like from the screenshot, I'm gonna open it, but it's not out. But in 10 days, the first game I made was a classic Snake game. You can see the latest video update on my channel. It's a game where you have to bunny hop. All right, I'll try to find it. All right, Francis, thanks. And yeah, honestly, I will check it out. I will check it out. I'll check it out later. All right. You can see my latest and then sure, I'll check that out as well. Demi. Okay. And honestly, Lost Conflict, my first game was an attempt of making a third person plus first person, which was so horrible, so terrifying, so broken, with a mountain, with the texture of I don't know, 240 into 240 or something, Thailand texture. It was terrible. Okay, just don't even ask. It was just terrible. And Francis, it's well, you okay? Give me a second. If I write P, nothing happens, right? P, yes, nothing happens. Oh, by the way, Lost Conflict. Check this out. Lost Conflict. If I read H, E, N. Oh my god. You didn't saw anything. You didn't saw anything, okay? Let's see his recommend. How to aim, Demi's correct. Let's oh, Demi's correct. Oh, nice. Demi, okay. Yeah, let's see a recommended. No, shh. Don't see my recommended, okay? How to make a desert ground. I'll tell you how to make a desert ground. You can just go to the asset store. Okay, let's kind of give this guy some help. No, Enrique, that's hen. You know, anime. Hen. Oh boy, I'm getting so busted for that. Oh my god, I'm gonna start window shopping again. Good, Francis. Don't go back and try to see it. Okay, just don't try that. So the thing was I was talking about tiling natural something, I think. So okay, I see what you did there with the. Thank you, Lost Conflict. Someone finally understands me. Anyways, these are the textures which I was using. Ceph, I believe. Yeah. So yeah. So like these are stones, and the one I was using in the character construction. So this is the desert texture, and this is the stone one. So yeah, I can just kind of search for natural tiling textures and just, yeah. Why did you bookmark it? What? Bookmark what, Samuel? Like, I didn't bookmark anything. I might have bookmarked, if you're talking about those things, I don't think I bookmarked them. Like, I didn't bookmark any hen ones. Like, I memorized them. Come on, man. It's safe to memorize them. Oh my god. Volumetric light. Shite. Okay, it's already in my favorite. Oh, wait. I thought it was free. I just thought it was free. It was free, right? $4. Okay, never mind. No problem, Saf. You just try that out. It's amazing. Anyways, where were we, people? So, this is like, I didn't model this. I didn't make any of this. I found the gun off the Asus store. And this is one of the projects which you see whenever you open up my videos. You're like, okay, so I'm gonna go to YouTube.com. Oh my god, I can't type. And that, okay. Yeah, he does. Yeah, Dev Assets is amazing. It's also got loads of weapons and stuff. Oh, Samuel, I didn't bookmark it. I just forgot to clear my history. Shh. Nothing. You saw nothing. I'm gonna like brainwash you guys, okay? What did you? Okay, I did open it up in private, okay, guys. Like maybe I forgot. Like, you know, like I was using Discord and some guy sent me a link, and I clicked in and it opened it up in the normal Google Chrome. So I just don't know, okay. Anyways, these are the pictures you see here. You know, the thumbnails, which are actually high definition as hell. But yeah, you know. So if I go back, this is the same weapon. Okay, yeah, I went straight to my channel. Yes, safety comes first. That just sounds very appropriate. Anyways, check this out. So there's this guy. Oh my goodness, how can I not mess this stuff up? Just give me a second. Okay, so there's this guy. His name is Wookie. Has a wizard D. You can imagine the rest. Very weird name, not his real name, obviously. And I actually asked him to animate, like, Enrique, here's 1 cent. Because honestly, I'm so broke right now that actually, like, let me see if I. Well, actually, I'm so broke right now I can't even find my wallet. Anyways, we gotta keep that stuff low, mate. Yeah, sure, lost conflict. Like, everyone's sleeping, but my room is like at the corner of the house, the front corner, so they're sleeping in the back corner, so it's all cool, man. It's all cool. Okay, I think you should press Control H. Control H? What does that do? I'm pretty sure bookmarked it. At least the screenshot says that. What will be the episode for? Okay, yes, this is random way and some random link and challenge. What is Control H? I'm not pressing that. You're making me nervous, guys. Oh my god, what am I doing? History window. Oh, that's it? Okay. So it's basically my history. You guys got me good, okay? You guys got me good. By the way, so that guy animated the weapon for me. So this is just an idle animation. The weapon is amazing itself, as you can see. There's also an image effect which I'm using for the skin. So you can see right there, you can see there's really this amazing skin scattering-ish effect, subsurface scattering, which looks really realistic. So yeah, you can just check that out. And then the weapon and stuff, obviously, I bet it's really laggy in the stream because you know, I don't think you can stream this stuff smoothly to start with. And yeah, this is stuff, and I think I'm actually using the reflections, and never mind. I don't know what the challenge is. Oh, I remember. What challenge? What are you talking about? Yo, Enrique, yo, Eagle, stop like making me. Do you have a readlink animation that you can publish? I do, and I actually have provided that with the FPS tutorial series, so if you can just go there and you can check that out. Oh, by the way, the reloading he made is actually pretty decent. It's not that amazing, but honestly, I love it. So if I kind of go there and set the weapon to reload. See that? That's pretty nice, pretty decent. It's not that good, but it's pretty decent. Not laggy for me. For future issues control, yeah, definitely, definitely. I always use this really quickly, as you can just see, which I just did right now. Honestly, you know, it happens every night around this time, but you know, fortunately tonight I'm with you guys, so I can't do this. Shh, I didn't say nothing. I didn't say anything, not nothing. What do you mean? What I mean? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. So, anyways, guys, so anyone here who's like actually in the university or is planning to go in university, or where are you guys from? I think Enrique is from Spain, or like you said, you're Spanish, so right? And Lost Conflict, where are you from, and where's everyone from? Because I'm planning on going to either US or UK or Canada or Australia for my university studies, and it looks like the weapon is flying for a bit when he reloads. Yeah, it does. It kind of does, actually. Dammy, you're not supposed to say that. Shh. And yes, Enrique, you know the feels. Some amazing stuff. But anyways, so I'm actually planning on Sweden. Oh, nice. There's a lot of people from Sweden. Italy, Canada. Oh, Francis, you're from Canada? Germany, England. Holy shit. I never knew there were people from so many different countries, honestly, but that is really amazing and impressive. Did you use object pulling in a multiplayer game for bullets? Honestly, Lost Conflict? No. I didn't. I know that's a terrible idea, but I didn't. I mean, it's a terrible idea to not use object pooling, but yeah, is a really good university. I'm actually planning on studying computer sciences, you know, the basic stuff, and maybe game development afterwards. You know, computer sciences comes first about it, so you know, then we can go with the minor subjects and stuff. So game design and stuff like that. So, so like I've heard like in Germany the education is free. Samuel, is that the case? Because I would love to like go there and actually study for free, but yeah. Lost Conflict. I want free education, please. Okay, Poland here, nice. I've not heard. You know, I don't know any universities which are good or like in Poland. Like I've just not heard it. At least they're not representing those universities in my country. So yeah, I would definitely love to go to. Okay, I have some relatives in Canada, Francis. So I think I might want to check out Canada, honestly. And in England, I do have some relatives as well. Maybe I don't know, but I would love to check out England as well. Oh my god, dang it, Lost Conflict. Everyone's going. Wait, who's going? Oh, Damie's going. Okay, never mind. Bye, Damie. See ya. Well, guys, I have to leave. Such a nice time. Oh, you're going, Enrique. Oh shit, I thought. Okay, that's kind of a shame. Well, anyways, Enrique, see ya. I'll definitely love to have you back. Okay. Yep, at least right now. So Samuel, oh, Denmark. Oh, Denmark does. I did heard about Denmark as well, actually, as I searched on. So, like, how is it really? And wait, where is Denmark? Honestly, I have no clue. I'm clueless when it comes to countries, so I'm gonna just hide this and search Denmark. Don't want to show people I'm dumb. Denmark is capital. Okay, officially, the Kingdom of Denmark is a country in Europe, the southwest of Sweden. Okay, right. Trump, make America better again. Don't come to Italy. Her school is shot. Shit. Okay, shot. Oh, thanks, Lost Conflict. That's good because I want to talk about the England stuff still with you. And Francis, how high are the expenses, costs, and stuff for a university? I've heard like it's around $12,000 to $15,000 per year annually. That is extremely high. But I've also heard from a lot of people here who were representing universities which were in Canada. They were saying that you can actually cover those expenses with part-time jobs, which more or less become full-time jobs because you're studying in the morning, then you're doing part-time the rest of the day, and you just come back home and you just die on your bed. Yeah, die on your bed, definitely. It's a Ubisoft studio in front of my house, kinda. They make models, no, Grizzly. I don't model in Blender, and I have not tried. I think Cinema 4D you're talking about, I've not tried that, honestly. But yeah, at top of Germany, what do you mean? Like, you mean Denmark is top of Germany? Is south, yeah, bottom of, I don't know, just never mind. Okay, no one saw my recommended page, right? Yeah, exactly. What? Honestly, it's not the degree which I'm looking for. I mean, a degree, there are requirements to work that you need a degree to work. Lot in a lot of places, but honestly, I'm looking for some legit education, knowledge, experience, so I can really become professional and not just stay at the level which I am, which I don't believe it even touches the professional level, my current level. In Sweden, it's free, but I don't know for you because you're. Oh, yeah, I've heard that there are a lot of countries which have free education for citizens, actually, citizenship and stuff. Or people from outside Canada get better deals, but to be honest, I'm not going to university. My sister goes, but worst case, I could ask her. Yes, I did. What did you, what? I'm sorry, Denmark is between Sweden and Germany. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I get it. Never mind. So, oh damn it, I wasn't looking for his recommended 5 for legit education. Too slow, last conflict. 5 pounds or stop. And I have some relatives in Canada. They like, I don't know when, they're like 10, 15, no, 10 years ago, most likely 12 years ago. So they've already gotten that citizenship stuff, whatever that is, and I think they have a lot of privileges and stuff. But yeah. No, you didn't, Francis. You can't see my recommendations. I just open it up like that. Like, oh shit. I'm not. Shh. I didn't. Okay. So, what I was trying to say was, oh my god, 6% battery on my phone. Guess I'm not waking up in the morning then. That's a good excuse, isn't it? But anyways, you can scroll back, go back. Yeah, I think you can go back in the live stream. Yeah, I'm so slow that I felt the need for speed. What? I'm sorry. Was that even a joke? But I find it funny. Lost conflict. And my recommendations is terrible. It's terrible. It's. I'll have so much hate if people actually saw my recommendations. Anyways, yo, can I live at your place for once, bro? Yo, bro, can you let me crash at your place for 2 years, bro? Oh, I'm not asking. I'm not legit asking that, honestly. But Sweden's pretty good, mate. Just kidding, bro. Feel that I felt the need. I'm so slow that I felt the need. Feel okay. That I feel the need for speed. Was that a nice rap? Sweden is good. Okay. Search for ftonblabit.se. I can't write a link. It's my website. I'm gonna make a new series in your channel. Bad English. Sorry. No, it isn't. Search Hikoi Gamer 89 on Google. Let me look how much cool he is. Demi, I feel like you're trying to, like, put me into a trap of some sort. Do you think sound effects? Do you make sound effects yourself? Or do you get them from making them? I get them from somewhere. I honestly have no idea how to make sound effects myself, Samuel. Like I try to do stuff like bringing 2 spoons and trying to just touch them and stuff like. Yeah, it's better than me. In the game. So, guys, like on a more serious note, I think for foreigners, it's kind of hard to live in a in a different country, obviously. So I don't know. What would you guys recommend? Because your recommendations are terrible. I'm sorry, like, they're okay, but please check my website and stream. Okay, just give me a second. I'm gonna actually check your website. Not so fast. Let me see. Wonder if I'm checking your website or actually opening up a site. Okay. Will you ever use object pool in that game of yours? Maybe I will. This is not so check my channel and like my videos. Advertisement. Okay. People are gonna make me check their channels on my live stream. Oh my goodness. Fuck's sake. Shit, man. You scared the fuck out. Yo, Eagle Hunter, you wanna fight me? Shit, like I wasn't even scared by the image, I was scared by the fucking sound. Plus my headphones are like, they're so amazing. Like, the audio quality is so amazing and so fucking loud that my ears just blew up. Also, could you make a tutorial? I'm so glad it was on the left side of the screen so you guys didn't have to suffer. I'm gonna get you for this, Eagle Hunter. Just you fucking wait. Also, could you make a tutorial on object pooling? Okay, I should definitely mute my audio. Wear sunglasses before opening such sites so that my eyes don't get tainted and I don't get, like, you know, I don't feel scared because my entire home is so fucking empty. Like, every single sound resonates so much, it feels like you're fucking alone. Even though I'm not really alone, but you know. Can you make a tutorial? Lost conflict, I have no idea how to use object pooling. Okay, I have some idea, but honestly, I never really tried it much. I'm gonna try it definitely sometime. By the way, so Swedish, you were talking about the education is good. I don't know if it's free. Let me see, actually, just gonna go and... no, I should not watch an anime on my live stream. So, Swedish, oh boy. Swedish. But now you need to check my freaking. Yeah, I know, Demi. I actually opened up your channel. I'm just gonna check it in a second. Just my heart is still fucking beating so fast. I hate you, Eagle. Damn it, got me real good. So Swedish free education. Study in Sweden. Free education in Sweden. College in Sweden is free, but students will have ton of depth. High price of free college. So, yeah. Also, like, you know, there's lots of costs. Like, I also want to know some stuff about taxes and stuff about like that because I haven't really got into that stuff. Like, the first paycheck I got literally had freaking 20% tax reduction, and I was like so disappointed, honestly. But on a more realistic scale, I don't know how taxes work in foreign countries, obviously. So just want to see if you can really get stuff. I heard that it's free in Germany, but you got to take like a German language course, which is for about 9 months. And I can't exactly study in Germany because I think you need to study college for that. And honestly, I'm jumping from high school directly to university because it's a weird thing to say, but I think that I really want to get into the university level fast and get started with stuff. Tax in Sweden is 30% of your income. Oh my god, 30 fucking percent. Shit, that's expensive. Oh, by the way, you know that in Australia your minimum wage is, I believe, around $16, $15.9695, I don't know, somewhere like that. And I think after all the tax reduction, it's 9 point some dollars, but it's still like the highest minimum wage in the world. And I think I heard that their taxes are not too much either. But Australia is apparently on freaking fire. Like, I don't know if I can show you guys. Australia on fire. Images. Oh, it's okay. This is gonna offend so many people because I didn't expect it to be actually on fire. Okay, yeah, if I can show you a decent image. Australia, like, it's just so damn hard and hot in Australia. More made 33%. Frogs will kill you in Australia anyway. So Well, spiders will kill me in Australia as well. So will kangaroos. Like saw that video of that guy? Kangaroo like went on his door and some shit. I don't know. It's all crazy in Australia. It's like another world or something. Göteborg. I have no idea how to pronounce that. 33% Texas. I kind of feel like crying. 33%. I need some time to get over. Anyways, how about Canada? Like, I wanna go there because of due to the privilege of having relatives there. UK is, I believe, an amazing choice as well. In terms of minimum wage, I think it ranks second or third highest, so that's a good chance as well. But I don't know about the to punch the kangaroo. But I don't know about the what do you say? I don't know about the education fees there yearly, and I don't know about the accommodation, food, all that kind of stuff, how much it's going to cost me, and if I can actually manage to pull all that off by just working part-times. Honestly, I don't know. Because like in my country, it's just so, we just sit all day, do nothing. I'm just kidding, it's not that simple, but O is a mix of O and A. Okay, so that O thingy, so so Goiteborg. I have no idea how to pronounce that, honestly. And don't even bring up PPAP, okay? I want to fight you, man. Fight me on Club Penguin. Come on, yo. My family would help you a lot, dude. Yeah, actually, it's my aunt who lives there. You can afford anything, right? With that suit on your logo. With my suit, you do know how much my suit costed? Honestly, that was the cheapest, plus pretty high quality. I don't know how I found it, but it costed me around 40 bucks, mate. The suit, not the shirt, but everything else combined. So see how amazing that is. Okay, seriously, I don't want to learn language right now. Just tell me something about the countries and stuff. But sure, I'll look that up. That's a very weird letter or symbol, though. Framed crew. So yeah. And yeah, I mean, I can more or less afford it, but honestly, I don't want to, put too much burden on my parents. I actually want to fund or go with myself as much as I can. I'm not that rich. I'm just an average person, honestly. Like when I had a job, I actually had a job, part-time job. I got hired by a company. It's an amazing experience. But I actually spent loads of money on my PC, which I just really wanted to do. And after that, now I realized that, maybe I should have saved some money, so that could have helped me in the future. But good times. Anyways. Inspect weapon. Let's try that one out. Fight me and clumping a smash. Alright. Ah, you got that? Alright. Lost conflict. So that's what you're on about, huh? Alright, come on. Club Penguin. Oh shit, 5-person charging. Shit, where's the charger? Oh my god, it's freaking 5 meters away. I'm not going to grab that shit. Mash in Sweden, you got this guy. He knows he's not. You should check him out. Grizzly FX, please stop self-advertising yourself, or you will be forced to fight me on Club Penguin. Let me see. What was my penguin name? Okay, I don't want anyone to. I don't want to show anyone my password, so I'm gonna just go ahead. I think that was the right password. I don't know. Alright, guys. Let's see how you fight in Club Penguin. Lots of conflict. By the way, I'm gonna be on that weird ass server, so let's go on Blizzard. Oh my god, the audio. Okay, how do I reduce the audio? My shite. Just reduce that way. Sounds like a good guy. Yeah, Grizzly FX definitely sounds like an amazing guy. Sure. See, this is an amazing game. I think I should rethink life because you've new, but they're in a secret location. No, thank you. I don't want to do that. Damn it. How do I? I have no idea what's happening. It's stuck, yo. Could you ever do a project down like me breakers? Okay, well, okay, let's go. I don't have a count. How do you feel? Lost conflict. You know you already lost before even playing. Take that bird, yo. Oh yeah. Oh shit, my chair. Okay, I'm too old for this. I'm too old for this. Oh my god, it's really on fire. This is terrible. Really good script in your tutorial. Please answer. What script in my tutorial? And what tutorial are you talking about? Look at that. That looks amazing. Dang. Oh, dang. Dang, dang. Oh, boy. Let me close this stuff. Oh, shit. Great. Oh, boy, I'm tired. Am I tired already? Forget education. No, honestly, I would thought about just not studying anything and just learning from like after I'm done with high school. I would just sit at home. But I just thought that was a terrible idea. So maybe I want to do that. I should definitely go to university. But I'm really kind of tense about it, honestly. Like if I can really just know that yes, I can manage stuff on my own. I can get off with all of the main thing is the main concern is expenses. After that, the second thing which comes is all the other stuff, which I believe is the place itself. I mean, the place, yeah, I guess that adapting and going away from your family and home would be a hard thing as well. But you get the idea, right? But the thing I'm trying to say here is that I have no freaking clue what I'm trying to say here. And which script exactly is safe? Because I don't know any script you're talking about. Eagle Hunter, stop. Oh my god, that looks realistic as hell. Other than the grass. Okay, forget the grass. The grass is terrible. It's terrible because it can't render in deferred rendering mod. I believe it's fixed in newer versions, and I was just too lazy to download those. Shh. Oh god, it's taking extremely long. Let's see. This is the project this is the thing in my intro. Oh my god. Oh boy. These are the assets I made, if you guys remember correctly. Cool stuff. The shadows are terrible. This is how Unity is. Oh my god. Did his head just penetrated the wall? His weapon doesn't penetrate it, but his head does. Like at least I can see the feet and stuff. Universal, depends. Do you want an English? David, honestly, if possible, yes. But if I'm getting the privilege of free education in a different university, which is which just uses the English language, then I'm kind of ready to actually learn that different language. I mean, at least I'm ready, but I don't know how difficult it would be. I'm going to build a PC so I can make better projects with my friends. Oh, nice. Honestly, building a PC wouldn't be the only thing which would allow you to build projects. So if you can really just my laptop crash when I was building a 2D local multiplayer game. I didn't even add in player 2 yet. Remember I was there. Nice shoes. Yeah, nice shoes. I know, right? Like those look amazing. kind of they look amazing. Okay, come on, they look amazing. That was a week ago, I think. So remember I was there. Where were you, Francis? Where were you? I mean, remember you were there a week ago. Where did you get the leg, and did those leg animation script? That's not a leg animation script. It's a huge ass heaven script with I don't know how many lines it has, but it's a terribly coded script, which is the first-person controller here, which is the magic, which does the magic, everything. This does everything. Okay, this handles other minor stuff, and this handles other minor stuff as well, and this is just for the graphics stuff and all. Anyways, let me move out the shite. There it is. Let's say USA, UK, North Italy. Okay, what are you on about, David? So like you mean I will find free education there, or what? Okay, so here, anyways, guys, check this out. How beautiful this is. Other than the grass, okay? Just forget the grass, alright? and for some reason it feels extremely lit. So maybe forget that as well. And this is terrible. Okay, don't look at that as well. Oh my god, this is horrible. Okay, so good to see you, bro. Yo, Ali Imran. What's up? Good to see you as well, man. From where do you get FPS script? Please answer. I didn't got it from anywhere. I coded it myself. We're building that world with the corridor. Yeah, Francis, I was in my earlier stream. Yeah, I remember. You were there. I remember. Dang it. It was amazing though. Oh my god. Okay, look at that. It was like rare. I like the way you coded the blood drop and it got it very close to real life. Yeah, actually it wasn't coding Lost Conflict. Like it was sort of coding. The coding was just adding a velocity. The main thing was hours of tweaking with the weight, the velocity and stuff, and the conversion. In terms of knowledge and okay, I see, David. So, you know, the choices I have, although, are UK, US, and Canada, and Australia. Damie, I would love to do that. I mean, 2 boobs. I mean, I already have 2 boobs. Like, they're amazing. Yo, I even got them little muscles, man. The biceps, man. The biceps. I even got those, man. I work out, yo. I do parkour, yo. I mean, I used to do parkour. I love it, but loved it. I do love it still, but maybe I just got lazy. God, I love the bobbing so much. When did I made it this amazing? Actually, I don't remember. Actually, I honestly don't remember. No, I really don't remember. Oh my god. Okay. Where are you from, David? Alright, so let me get out of this place. Love the running as well for some reason. What's happening? Why am I loving my game? It's so long since I've actually played my game that I'm starting to love this. I also like the way you use the code to do head bobbing flick instead of animation. Man, I thought that was the case with the bullets. And yeah, I honestly I didn't coded the bobbing again. I just reused the bobbing which the first person controller came with it. And I just look and say coded it or recoded it somehow to connect it with external objects as well, such as, you know, the weapon in our case. But I actually haven't looked for clubs. Do you shoot? No, I don't shoot with raycast. I actually spawn in an actual bullet, which I think is a horrible idea. If you know, considering with you not pooling, like you can see, I'm actually spawning a real bullet. And if I really shoot something which is far away, you'll have to compensate for the drop. You won't really see the drop. Okay, actually, that object doesn't have gravity. Oh damn, the fire looks amazing. No, it doesn't look amazing actually. No, I don't shoot with raycast. No, actually. You know, you won't have to compensate for the drop there, but if I switch to the pistol, which is again the one I modeled, the hands, okay, forget the hands, okay. Oh my god, the hands look extremely good with the pistol for some reason. Something is wrong with these hands, isn't it? Isn't something? Actually, something is wrong with the actual, we can say, yeah, something's wrong with the hands, actually. Never mind, anyways. So, sorry, I was mistaken. Use objects in raycast, they were where you're from, yeah, I know. Okay, so if I hit it from the, like, right point, like there. Okay, oh. Oh my god, no! Dang it, frick, nah. Oh, okay, the bullet's too damn slow. Yeah, if I used object pulling, it would have been amazing, actually. So if I shoot it like 2 down, it actually did hit it. It actually just bounced. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is actually kind of fun. I don't know why I'm doing this over the stream. I mean, I actually have a footage of me and my friend playing, you know, this game multiplayer when I actually fixed the multiplayer for this. Not these graphics exactly, but yeah. And I still have the floating room thingy here, which I modeled. But wow, just wow, look at that. Look at that. I mean, wow, I could I can just stand on it, I guess. Oh wait, oh. Oh, nice. I forgot to add a collider to that object. Oh my god, this is fun. Should have known before. Like, is that easy to just go in and out? I don't think you can do it with raycasts. You can actually do one thing with raycast. Like, I added a person on Skype, and he told me about tracing a bullet using raycasts. So you're not spawning a bullet. Yes, really pretty corridor. It's too pretty. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna freaking die like looking at this corridor. Honestly, I think it's way too pretty for me. I'm breaking up with the okay, wow, my game is glitchy as hell. Oh my goodness. I don't remember the colliders being that glitchy. Somehow they are. Please go in the there we go. Anyways, let me just stop that. This is too much. And tracing the bullet, meaning like not only tracing for that trace line for that trail only, but like actually tracing it every frame, allowing it, calculating where it will land in the next frame, speed and stuff, and whether it hits something, it's hitting something or not. So yeah, all that kind of stuff. Okay, we'll check. But do you have multiple FPS tutorial? No, I don't have a multiple tutorial. Right. So actually, I'm kind of out of stuff. You know, the only thing which I was concerned about university, and it's apparently still not clear. You know, I guess it's not that much of an easy stuff to just go to a foreign country. And thanks for your tips, guys. I honestly really am thankful for those. But dang it, how would I go to a uni stuff and all? What? For what, people? What? Yo, this guy needs to chill, man. Go to channel. Okay. Never mind. Now let me try switching the mods though. So if I switched it from effort to forward. Oh my goodness. Now it fixes it, but I honestly think this is a lot better. It fixes certain issues, but it looks horrible in terms of reflections. So I'll most likely have to bake some stuff. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna kind of. Oh, never mind. It's back here. I'm gonna basically say, what was it? Rebuild system, sorted, generate atlas, ground, bake ground. I think that's it. Yeah, capture vegetation. No, actually, no, not capture vegetation. That's with big vegetation and stuff. Okay, okay. Hello. Sounds like more work than spawning objects. True, lost conflict, but it's I think worth it. And hey, Christian Wee, yeah. Sup? Nice to meet you. Do you have free education in Netherlands? I don't know. Netherlands, definitely. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks, Saf. Thanks for that. You're an amazing person. If you add object pooling, the idea of you spawning objects instead of raycasts wouldn't be too bad. I mean, true. That's right. Yo, sub Marks, definitely. Yay! This is, I'm also from the Netherlands. Can you help me? There's an effect in the sun. Its name 15. It make the sun shine. Okay. Yeah, there is. So what? I'm not using that effect, honestly. I'm using a bloom effect thingy. Forceful GI update. I don't know why it looks so dull. How can I kind of add that nice little reflection thing? What's worth it? I think the raycast, the raycast tracing, I believe, is worth it. Basically, as I said, so because of stuff. Okay, what is happening? Ah, my god, the aiming inclusion is just messing with me again. Just give me a second. I'll be fine. So, because you know, it may be complicated, but it will be a lot more accurate. Because you know, right now whenever I spawn a bullet, I have to tweak loads of its values, and you know, it's not like I can just calculate its values based on just one or two parameters. I have to like really go through every single thing manually. But if I actually do it using raycasts, I can predetermine its values, for example the drop, and for example, you know, all sorts of stuff basically. So yeah, and so I think it's a lot, you know, you have a lot more control, or you have a lot more power over that other stuff instead. Yeah, my game is terrible, right? It's acting terrible right now. How can you say it's smooth? Seriously, like seriously. Let me go to our player endeavor. Okay, yeah, that's terrible. That's even more terrible. Let me just remove the vegetation. Okay, let's see now. Programming in Unity, chat private. Okay, seriously, stop, guys. I can't understand your language. Okay, I just English. Okay, I'm a peasant. Okay, an English peasant or some shit. God, that's terrible. I should use light probes. Light probes are a lifesaver, honestly. Especially when using, not using baked GI. See that effect? That's a terrible effect. I don't always get it, but you do. Animations are very smooth. Oh, thank you. Well, the animations are smooth, yeah. Ah, too smooth, actually. Oh my god. Right now, I think, crouching or something? Oh, maybe not. Oh, the bullets actually collide with us. I'm so sorry, bro. I have just met a cool Italian guy. Oh, Damie, it's alright. Go ahead, talk with your Italian stuff, yeah? Like, I don't know. I mean, honestly, I just thought you guys were secretly trolling me. It's always possible, you know? Right. Yeah, I'm just good with this stuff. I'm sorry, I'm Arabian. Check your channel. I like it. Ha ha ha. Nice. I'm gonna close it. It's terrible. The blur. Whew, it's almost 2 a.m., boys. Nice. Okay, I love the way you pivot on the spot without moving your feet. What do you mean? Pivot to one on the spot without moving your feet? Oh, you mean like I'm just... Oh, I kind of get what you mean. It's like I'm just rotating around at one point. Uh-huh. I see. I actually find that really fun to do. For some reason, it's sort of satisfying to do. That's a weird thing to say, really. Maybe I should run something interesting in the background. Oh, by the way, I found a way to actually, you know, I don't know, play stuff in the background. I don't know, I guess. I wonder if I can stream Resident Evil 7 gameplay or Watch Dogs 2 gameplay or anything. I want to do some studying with games because that would be interesting, honestly. That would be really interesting. Hello, mates. Yo, Dragonite. Dang, long time no see, man. Last I remember, I saw you on my first live stream. I believe that's it. What will be the next tutorial FPS 6? I don't really know what will be the next tutorials I have, honestly. Shit, I'm terrible at planning. And I should probably sleep right now. Dang, it's late. It's getting really late. Like, yo, it's 2 a.m. and I'm spinning around. Get out of my way. I get this feeling I just want to spin. Yeah, I guess I do get this feeling. Just want to spin. Bye. Oh my god, Trump's even here. Trump is there as well. Help, someone call the police. Why is Trump everywhere? Hello, Dank. Oh my god. Even the Dank memes lover is here. Yo, sup, Storus. Troll some Twitch streamers with that jump scare thing. You know, Eagle Hunter. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just punched my fucking mic thinking about. Fucking savage. But anyways, yo, Eagle Hunter. Honestly, you really got me, man. You got me really good. Like I already had my audio like quite high, and I was like, damn. Are you going to make the episode 6 on Photon Network? No, I'm not gonna make it about Photon Network. Sorry, I have no idea how to use it myself. I used it back in 2013, I believe, or 14, I think. And I don't remember how to use it anymore. That was when I was a terrible programmer. I think it was 13, yeah, definitely. Like, want to see one of my games, which is one of the very terrible games. It's called Battle to Death. Steam, not freaking Goku. so if you search Battle to Death Steam, okay, stores fat in English. Stores fat. Okay, is that how you call your name? Is it? Lost conflict, that's supposed to happen. I am an Asian. I can't help it, man. You need to call the police. Oh my god. I kind of feel racist, I'm sorry. Like, I can make loads of jokes about myself, about my race, honestly, but made house huge for honestly, Dragonite's working amazing. I even have the Epix launcher open right here, and all I can do is just stare at this stuff and just close it. Because shit, man, it's complex. Anyways, check this game out, guys. It's just my masterpiece. So, like, if you search Battle to Death Steam and you just open up the first link. Oh my god, let me just turn off the volume.
Guys, what's up? I am Yas.
Oh my god, my voice. Oh my goodness, fuck's sake. I don't even want to play this video, guys. I'm being forced, okay? Sort of, maybe.
And today I'll be showing you gameplay of my game Battles to Death multiplayer.
Today I'll be showing you gameplay of my game Battles to Death. Fuck, I had a keto voice, like, hey. Yeah, I just downloaded a Photon replica. Like, I downloaded a game. Sorry, you're just gonna make someone stop doing the UE4 export. Wait, honestly, wait, Mixamo actually stopped UE4 export for really? That's terrible. I don't remember them doing that, but that's kind of terrible. But honestly, that would not be enough for me to stop using Unreal Engine. But yeah. Anyways, I'm kind of cringing while watching my video. I actually downloaded a replica. I downloaded an asset, pirated it, and when I pirated the asset, I like, it was a first person one. Somehow I managed to port it, make it third person. Okay. Yeah, I prefer Unity at the moment, but I'm learning Unreal, and I love Unreal. I'm loving Unreal so far. It's really complex though, but I really want to learn more about it and really want to be experienced in both engines at once. That would be amazing. You know, with the one man army. Anyways, let's take this out. Like,
Max players and game mods. So room name, you can just set anything you wanna say. Awesome room.
let me just okay, just create the freaking.
Forest. It's mountainous area.
I pirated this asset as well. Like, can you believe me, guys? I was huge as hell pirate. Like, I pirated everything. Okay, all the creations of my past self. Like, I can't even speak anymore. Were pirated. Okay. Yes, everything. But now I don't do that stuff. I'm really happy that I don't. because you know there's no fun in pirating stuff. It's fun to create stuff yourself.
So you got this player's kind of a cute,
Like this
really awesome
horrible
stuff.
movement,
You can kind of work together.
horrible, terrible
And
movement. My
there
graphics
is
card was shitty as well, by the way.
everything. So
That's
yeah,
why I had to record it at 720p. Plus my internet was shit as well, so yeah.
clouds and
Oh, the
everything.
CryEngine, yeah, I've actually not used it. I've seen it. I've seen a couple videos about it, but I'm not really sure.
Found the map, discovered the map,
Honestly, I don't know.
and
Maybe I will give it a try,
then
but I don't have that much time to try 3 engines at once. Honestly,
it's pretty,
would be a good
pretty
practice.
much. Because I've created some shaders on shaders. Okay, that's a feature in my game that you can fall off.
That was a feature in my game. The guy literally slipped over nothing. That was a feature in my game. Oh, my game was terrible.
If you really even
And Sev, that if you're skilled in both Unity and Unreal, then yes, you can make a game in Unity and switch it to Unreal pretty easily.
fast and some kind of
And as for the best engine, it depends on your requirements, it depends on your skill, and depends on your demand. So like if you're a professional and you can learn stuff all of a sudden, then yeah, well, maybe a website for your project team over that little community. Did you work or worked in indie dev team? I did work in an indie dev team back in February last year. I worked for around 8 months. That was paid, so that was some paid work. Like I did work for a hobbyist as well for for quite some time. Actually, I was a terrible programmer at that time as well. I learned a lot when I actually worked on a part time. By the way, it's a lot more advanced. Actually, I used Game Maker back in the day when it was really simple and had this really old style classic UI, but. I was terrible at that as well. I never really learned it. I just created that weird box sprite or something and just moved around it or something. We should have a website for Youngsters Project Team. Yeah, we should definitely have a website for me. Like, yeah, I could definitely do that. Terrible projects. My worst projects. Volume 1. Okay, what was Control J? Downloads. Right. I don't have anything in my downloads. Wait. Give me a second. Yeah, I definitely. Those are definitely not those pics. Okay, definitely not. Wait. Actually, shit. They might be. Oh shit.
you can just fall off really badly.
Yeah. So yeah. You could. Yeah. You can default. Exactly. Yeah. So you can.
So yeah, gonna work on it. And it's really cool, especially when you download it, also see that it was become content.
Oh my god. Who decided on this stuff? That wasn't so horrible, I guess. The actual shooting mechanics weren't so horrible. I mean, yeah, okay. In Unreal, do you use the blueprint code or do you do raw C++? I'm still learning C++, so I just use blueprint for the time being. Press Windows key and D. Frame crew, I'm having a hard time trusting people thanks to Eagle Hunter. Thanks to that jump scare. Okay, it's finalized. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you. But by the way, this game is terrible, actually. That's a shame, Eagle Hunter, but I must say No Man's Sky is better than this, and that's what I'm trying to show you. This game is terrifying. I pirated everything, despite that it's terrifying. So you can just say how awesome my skills were back in the day. That's how he reloads. Check how he reloads. He just does like, just swings his arm, boom, reloaded. Let me just
Alright, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Oh, by the way, it actually had a working multiplayer using Photon. Yeah. So I'm just terrified why I can't make it now. But yeah, yes. No, this game is not in development and will not be released. It has been aborted. Thank you for your interest. What? No Man's Sky is no one's. Oh, and this is awesome. No one's what? Who would have thunk it? A fully trained man in Spec Ops military tripping over nothing. Absolutely nothing. Give this lost conflict man a cookie, man. Give it a cookie. Sorry, give him a cookie, sorry. Like, seriously, yeah, you deserve a cookie, man. Like, you know, speak like this. Who would have thunk it? A fully trained man in Spec Ops military tripping over absolutely nothing. Yeah, it actually had working multiplayer, 100% working multiplayer. Create a lot of games with your help. So create a lot of my game. Okay, with your help. So thank you very much for helping me. And Dank memes. Is it human that made this? I'm sorry to tell you, Eagle Hunter, but yes, it is a human who made this. Like, I even said donation needed. I was freaking naive. I was like, money, money, money all the time before. And when I actually found a part-time job, I realized money ain't worth shit. Nah, actually, it's worth shit, but seriously, it's not right to run after money all the time. Like, I'm barely earning. I'm actually not even earning anything off YouTube. Sad life. But yeah, I'll look to check this out. I love the blue filter. Honestly, I really want a wonky ragdoll third-person game. Actually, I think Dragon Eye, there are certain games like that. Which, okay, this is another one of my pirated assets. I was an amazing pirater. I haven't invented a new word for myself. I'm gonna call it pirater. Okay. I'll get him. We have multiple. Well, Trump might be able to pull it off, so you never really know. Study in Sweden. Of course. Like Tory beige. What's that? I've honestly no idea. Okay, guys. The hell is this, and why do I have this open? Okay. Delta time. Yes, I was actually studying this so I could explain this better, but yeah. Dragon Eye, this live stream has been a confession session since like the last hour and a half. Okay, so yeah, literally we just did nothing. True. Like I even confessed to my age, but no one's gonna tell Dragon Eye that. Okay, shh, everyone, shh. No one knows my age. I'm immortal. No one knows from where. Okay, like you can comfortably be a failed ninja in a custom game. Well, about that, I actually do have a game. Shit, I do have a game, actually. Let me see. I might have a really old project. Let me just surf through it. It was in one of my very, very old drives, which have all the treasure. And I think it was that project. Okay, where was it really? Was it that project? Let me just give me a second, guys. Okay. True, but like, okay, how did you learn programming? How did I learn programming? I'm a self-taught programmer. It's a long story, honestly, but just went on the internet. I just started watching tutorials. I copied, pasted everything. Didn't learn anything. Then I opened up documentations for every single keyword. I actually went and online and took lessons for separate keywords, functions, how code works in general. I also went on certain websites like SoloLearn.com, and I actually learned C#, the language there, and stuff like that. So it's like just messing around with stuff over the years. So it's like really talking about huge foot check. I see. Sure, David. I'll check out his streams. Astronier. Okay, back in my day, you want a script you opened up. You open a Pirate Bay, you want a camera controller for open Pirate Bay. Honestly, Lost Conflict, you can still open Pirate Bay, or well, not exactly Pirate Bay, but I have my sources to pirate stuff even in like today, okay? So don't worry. There's a legit sources, by the way. You can get download latest assets which are released on the asset store for free from those sources. But I'm not going to share those here because that would really give me a really bad reputation. Wait, what? When were you born? Oh, Dragon Eye. Oh, Dragon Eye. And Francis is back at it again. Francis, I think okay, you didn't say I was 50. Yeah, there was some other guy who said I was 85. He's 16, but the truth is that he is 86. I'm actually 86. I'm not 16. Who the hell told you, Eagle Hunter? Who the hell told you, man? Shh. You're supposed to keep it to yourself. Stop it, man. Come on. You need to read dogs, try and test messing. True, you really do. The way I learned programming is simple. Open up Unity over summer vacations, sit down, cry it for a few weeks until I start memorizing some methods here and there. You are actually doing it right. So in your browser, Control V is paste. I at least know that. So please don't do that, guys. It's a trap. I'm just kidding. It's not a trap. Just let me see where my script is. I think it was the TPS project. No, it was that project, I think. I have no idea. Okay, I just tried to build a live right here. See ya, guys. All right, see ya, Samuel. I'm actually gonna leave as well, so I'm just gonna rendering how to make that. What realistic rendering? I'm a troll, Dragonite. Thank you for answer. You're welcome, mate. And nah, Francis, you're an amazing guy because you're from Canada. Yeah, you're from Canada, man. I might be visiting Canada, so that would be amazing to meet you. Then, dang, I don't know if I should visit Canada. Like, I was actually struggling with the universities, and I think that now that we have maybe more people, actually, people just left. What the hell, man? I was about to get to the good part, but I was actually Oh, thank you, Troll Yasin 123. Yeah, actually, that's really close to my name. No, the fact that he's came from is absolutely barbaric. Okay, it is absolutely barbaric. It must be taken down. There's no way I could be 16, man. That is impossible. You wanna fight me, man? Come on, fight me, man. No, I won the elections, you know. Wait, what? When did I freaking become Donald Trump? Shit. Someone help me! I'm getting the virus. It's viral. I'm sorry. I hope I didn't offend anyone. Okay, no, seriously though. People get offended so easily these days. I'm so like I just. What the hell are those balls of a freaking naked cat? What am I even watching? Hey, I'm an awesome guy because wait, let me find my reason. Yeah, I should start my videos like this. Hey, I'm an awesome guy because let me find my reason. Okay, I'm an awesome guy because I own 5 Lamborghinis and I'm a rich ass guy and I'll just insert Lenny face here. We really need to go to bed. It's like yeah, I know, Dragon Eye. I should go to bed honestly. I'm gonna go to bed right now. Yep, definitely, guys. I actually wanted to show you guys more, but I don't think I hope I didn't delete the project because that's an amazing project. I do believe it was that. Let me see, where do I have Unity 5.3? Because I actually made it using Unity 5.3. This isn't Unity 5.3. I might have removed it. It's like, okay, I have lost contact with David. Oh, that's alright, come on. Actually, it's not alright. Where's David? He's still with us, maybe. I don't know. I hope he is still with us. Oh, it is Unity 5.3. Oh my god, okay. I don't know. I wonder if it will even open. Good boy. I'm kind of scared actually. Unity 3D. Have that project. Unity 3D. Oh my god, it was made with Unity 5.0.0. Shit. I honestly don't want to upgrade it because I'm scared it'll break it. I don't know. Easy. Like easy, like the kind of 360 no scope easy. Well, it's kind of extremely easy compared to 360 no scoping because I suck at that. You know. Like if you see my gameplay ever, if you see me playing ever, you'll see how bad I am literally at that stuff. So just don't even. Anyways, but a great stream. Can't wait to see new content. Sure, great stream. And I definitely should stream like this whenever I'm free instead of browsing Facebook for 6 hours and accomplishing nothing. Because honestly, I thought like I had a lot of fun with you guys today. How can I make it more emotional? Let me just see. Okay, just give me a second. Music, songs. Yes, and quick question about smoothly rotating a player to look forward towards the camera. How do you do it? Smoothly rotating a player to look towards. Okay. You mean a third-person player? Well, I don't exactly know how I do it. You can try using lerp. You know, the one thing is that I actually use animations. I use the turn animations, which are actually calculated through extremely weird functions, which I just copied from the third person centered assets, so I have no idea. No, I don't. Power Gaming, where did you got that idea? I honestly don't have anything like that on there. That's programs, man. Oh my god, I'm actually scared. Do I actually have a folder like that? Okay. No, I don't. Stop trolling me, goddammit. You're making me nervous, man. Oh shit. Okay, I wish I could make a game. Honestly, there's so many that are currently making games, but I can't. Whether I try, do, that doesn't work. And also when I'm watching tutorials, don't remember. I think the good thing about it is, Penguin Gamer, that when you watch tutorials, you try to put them into practice. Watching tutorials isn't the only thing which helps you learn. I think the good thing is that you actually you should, like, after you learn that, you can try challenging yourself. So you've learned something, okay? You say, okay, I'm gonna make this. Now have a more, you can say, possible goal. Don't say, okay, I've learned this, I'm gonna make an extremely amazing FPS game with extremely amazing graphics, AAA stuff, and it's gonna sell. No, that's not gonna be working. So yeah. So yeah, you know, it's just work on it. Be good. Be confident. You can try to remember. It's best to try to understand things. If you understand them better, I believe you can remember them even better. So yeah, it's this kind of different stuff. I'm on Discord, please. I'm on Discord as well. Scared them. Is that Epic Studios down there? What? Anyways, I was talking about the song. Because it's copyright free, I don't think I'll have any issues. Yeah, no. Like, okay, by the way, guys, fun fact. Remember my last stream a week ago or something? I forgot the monetization option. I actually had it on with that stream. And I had freaking 10 copyright claims on that video. 10 freaking copyright claims due to all the songs which I was playing in the background. Like, I'm amazed. How stupid could I be? And I'm not gonna I'm just gonna try my best to not show you guys. Actually, it's gonna take too long for me to type. Please be fast. Gotta go fast. Shit. Nobody saw anything. Shit. Open it up. Okay, that was close. Is that a? Yeah, no, that is Epic Games Launcher, not Epic Studios. So yeah, you noticed that right now. Okay. Oh my god, you guys saw how much money I make? It's just so bad. But anyways, like, I should go. And Dragon Eye, don't you dare. Yo, what's up, Yays? Yes, that's amazing name you got. Like, check this out. Includes copyright content. I only have 472 views on this shit. And if I open it up, check this stuff out. It is blocked in 6 countries. 6 countries, yo. My god. Like, how even? It's blocked in Australia, Japan, Mexico, New Zealand, South Korea, and the United States. Thank you, Lost Conflict. I'm rich, I know. See you next time, Paragaming. You were amazing as a partner. Okay, see ya. Yeah, yes, I make a lot of money off YouTube. I'm rich. You know, Damie, $24, you can't redeem it. You can't actually, like, you know, withdraw that money. You gotta go to like $100. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, check this out. So the first claim was the very first song, which I'm not gonna. Okay, this isn't the very first song. Which is the very first song? I have no idea. This is the very first song, I think. And this is monetized by copyright owner, remove song, or you can play the song. I'm not gonna play this. I'm definitely not gonna play this. Like 10 copyright claims. How can you do that to me? And surprisingly, it didn't hurt in my like, you know, my conditions, or sorry, my YouTube channel at all. They just said that if you've done nothing else other than this stuff, nothing will go on. But for some reason, I think the video actually went down in stuff. Copyright notices. Okay. So yeah, I am definitely working on lots of games. Like I was working on lots of games. If you go back in time and in the stream, you'll see how many games I'm working on. Look how much money I make. Like everything is freaking monetized, so people have to see freaking ads. So I make money. Shit, yeah. I make money. Yeah, I make $5 a fucking month. Holy shit. It's terrifying. Oh, terrific. Okay, let me show you guys some analytics. You have to make actually you have to make 100 okay, pounds, yeah, maybe pounds, but you know, yeah, from what I heard in dollars, if you convert it in dollars, you gotta make $100 to be able to actually do that and stuff. Oh my god, I got 3.1% female views. I used to get 2% female views, you know that? And then it increased slowly over the course of a couple days. Like I got 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3, 3.1. It was actually 2.9 like till yesterday or something. Not pounds, dollars. Yeah, not pounds, that's dollars. So I'm making even less than that. One group of modelers, one from animators, one from possible voice actors. Dragon Eye, I would like some hen voice actors. Oh, by the way, check out the countries, like the top countries. So the United States is in the top. I don't see any people in the chat who are from the USA. How the hell is this in the top? I'm sorry, I don't have anything against it, like I was just saying. I was about to say, damn, he's getting called the girls. I am. You don't know Lost Conflict. I get all the girls, yo. Like, I just sit at home, and I get all the messages. Yo, sup, Yasin? Yo, 10 Yasin, want me, boy? You wanna hang out or some shit? I'm like, okay, cool, bro, cool. Oh my god, Lost Conflict, you just had to kill that, isn't it? 2 chickens, 3 dogs, and you serious, Pigment Gamer? Oh, Dragonite, you are? Dang, I was actually gonna ask you some stuff. So, well, that kind of explains why it's like 22% of my watch time is from USA, and I think Russia it's actually pretty less. Yeah, it was. This is, oh my god, people have watched 10 days and 20 hours. Ooh, that's a lot actually. Okay. I'm from Sweden, Italy. All my views. Number 8, Italy. Oh yes, number 8. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. Canada is actually better. It's like on top. It's like over Australia. Where the hell is Australia? There it is. Oh, Poland is there as well. I can feel it. I know why there are so many people. Like, where's Spain though? Oh, there is Spain as well. The only dates you have are on your Google Calendar. Actually, Lost Conflict, I don't even have dates on my Google Calendar either. That's how freaking hardcore I am. See that? Oh yeah. Too hardcore. Other guys, if you're a Viaboo and you would like to chat with me, then it's best that you actually, you know, join me on Discord. Oh my god, send not nudes. What the hell is that? So yeah, you can join me on Discord for that stuff. Here's a joke. Don't you dare laugh. Okay. Well, why the XD? We're not supposed to laugh. Oh my god, if I had a video cam, this would have been so amazing because the facial expression right now is like a freaking Joker who's speaking seriously, but he's smiling. I look creepy right now. Shit. Oh boy. What? Okay, and we can yo better hide it. I did. Who on the phone and who on PC right now? PC and PC. Okay, this is bullshit. It's chat as shit. I mean, the one I'm on about. No one's got the gut to even send news. Ugh. Ah, freaking peasants they are. Oh, Japan. Oh my god, there are people from Japan who are watching my videos. Where are all them Japanese girls, man? I want to know. By the way, anyways, you know, all the grill stuff. Let's kind of leave that behind and stuff. So okay, that's terrible. I pretty much show you guys the cards already because I love you guys. And when I said kawaii potatoes, you said yes. 86% of you guys said yes. When I said should I explain everything, you said yes. And you also fucking said shh. You don't shh me. I shh. Terrible. Okay. Let's see the real-time views. 22. Oh my god. I had 2600 like yesterday. Oh my god, 71 views in the last 60 minutes. I actually wasn't able to go up to like 70 even. That's freaking amazing. God, I'm becoming popular. Okay, when you said we would look awkward, imagine the red circle screen with a huge smile. Dragon guy. How the hell did you know those were my black market stocks? I like to keep my stocks private, yo. Yeah, yo. I'm a gangsta deep within, yo. I'm a horrible actor, shit. Anyways, guys, let me see if I can show you some stuff. I'm selling kidneys. Oh, yeah, sure, I'll buy 3. Because you know you need an extra one just in case you need to donate a kidney to someone else. I don't know why I'm running Unreal again, honestly. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be 3 hours now. This is my longest stream so far, like you know, in a single go, I believe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop now. Definitely. Wait, what is that world asset? The world asset? The world asset it is amazing, by the way. That's it's Unreal, of course. It's the free world assets which Unreal provides you with. You can download that in the learn thingy, I think, whatever. And yeah, stuff like that. Oh, by the way, yeah, there it is. Open world demo collection. It's like 6.4 gigabytes. Took me like what, 5 minutes? Just kidding. It took me for freaking ever to download that. No, I'm just kidding. It took me 3 hours because my internet is kind of bad. Yeah, you know, you joined too late. You know, the dank memes are all out of I don't know what, and I only have 6 views. People are going already. They're prepared for me to die. No. Okay. This is taking extremely long. It's gonna be quiet for a little while, people. He says he likes to keep his search private and Google history, but he didn't. Lost conflict. When you're the only one who uses your PC, I don't think so. There's any reason for you to keep your history private. Definitely. There's definitely no reason for you to do that now, is there? I mean, you gotta do it in front of everybody. Actually, no, I'm not that shameless. Like, I'm a really good guy. Like, I just go on those websites for educational purposes. Because, yeah. Yeah, because educational purposes definitely. Because I am doing a major in biology, and I need some reference material to study how reproduction takes place, and I think I'm providing you guys with too much information, right? Yeah, definitely. Okay, message retracted. What? What's that with Facebook? Sorry, Facebook. No, YouTube. Shit, stop it. But okay, that was weird. Like him saying, I'd like to keep private and show a reminder of this. Here's a full. Okay, it's your last field. Oh my god, lost conflict. Actually, it should be like the type should be a class. It should be private hentai vids afterwards. So like we're creating a new custom class which is called hentai, and the name of it, or we're storing it as vids. That should be how it should be. One can say, but how can you understand? I've screenshot your recommendation and downloads. Eagle Hunter, you don't have to do that. You can just go back in time and see them again. But shit. Wait, oh, my downloads? No, my downloads are no big deal. Actually, I can show you right now what they are. Yeah, I can definitely show you right now what they are. I should rethink life. Let's close this though. Alright, cool stuff. This is taking forever to load, so I guess we're gonna wait for this until it loads and then we can just sleep. Most likely, and I gotta update this as well. Non-skin materials and file. I should check that one. But a syntax error coming my way. I forgot the way semicolon. Good god, didn't Numble have weird animation tutorials by Yasin in Unity 5? Well, I'm a terrible animator, but the animation tutorials which you will have will be... they might not be disappointing, you know? Oh, by the way, if you guys are a fan of Edge games, which I should not say that on the stream, but it's a stream, okay? No one will know, right? So, let's just do it. Oh my god, C! Holy shit, my C drive is dying. It's like 1.19 gigabytes. Holy shit. Let me, excuse me. I think I should. Well. Okay. There goes the PG3. Yeah. The rating, it's gone. So, if you guys are interested, here's something for you guys. It's cold. It's a very peaceful game, truly. You must be at least, please be 16, you know, you can be 13 as well, but don't be 8. Okay. So like it's called Artificial Academy 2. If you're interested, definitely check it out. It's a really interesting game. It's got an amazing story and all that stuff. Definitely not a trap. Definitely not. Just do that. You freaking win, Dragon Eye. I'll give you that. Hey, check this out, by the way. I love this game. If I can just reduce the volume now. Hopefully you guys don't have to listen to the extreme stuff. You know, I think you guys should make a code list and like add all my codes inside that. Oh my god, Eagle Hunter. Why are you here? You're freaking 5, yo. Go make that cheeseburger. Wait. No, go make that iPhone. Oh my god, that's racist. Shit. Stop with the racism, Yasin. There's no weapons way, guys. It looks ugly. Let me say the graphics are extremely amazing. Look at this. This is what keeps me awake at night. We can't fall, by the way, so that's too bad. This is the Unreal's example shooter project, something which you, and it's optimized as hell, like optimized as hell. Look at that, damn, it's beautiful. Oh, he's 5. Oh, nice. Yeah, I have no freaking clue what you guys are talking about, but cool. I've no idea what I'm doing here. I'm gonna show you guys another thing, which is called, I think, yeah, the sanctuary. My mouth, you. Met a guy on CSGO who sounded exactly like me, but he was 23 years older than me. Also, or known as 40. Okay, no, you're wrong, and that keeps you up at night. Okay, he didn't make it. Yeah, I definitely didn't make that. I can't make something that awesome. Come on, Lost Conflict. I mean, I can't model something that awesome, but I can probably make it. Honestly, I have no clue how coding works in this stuff. Like, I've been struggling with it. I mean, okay, I do have some clue. I can do things which, like, I can do things similarly. I'm the Penguin Gamer. Oh, the Penguin Gamer is on Skype. Hola. It's someone's birthday. It's someone's birthday whom I don't know. It's another guy's birthday who I don't know. It's, yeah. Can you work with anything? Show me how you set up a good shooter. Okay. Why do I have so many people whom I don't know? Like, on Skype. Like, literally, not from YouTube. Like, I don't know. Okay. I will definitely try that out. Anyways, so I was watching yeah, this is a very shitty anime. I was not watching this, definitely. I mean, it's you know, it's yeah, it's kind of, you know, it's you know, it's really something amazing, you know. It's really okay. Different steps of optimization. Optimization. Yeah, that's a good question. Finally, something good. I would say sure, I would do that. Basically, you know, honestly, I don't have any specific optimization steps for 3D modeling. I believe it's just oh my god, you want to fight me, man? All right, sure, fight me. You got that right, mate. You got that right. Okay. Hello, penguins. Yeah, just fight me, man. Yeah, I'll do that. I think it's yeah, it's basically all the basic stuff, you know. Optimization is mainly optimization of code, 3D models, and stuff like that, and just give me a second. Hell yeah, man! Club Penguins for freaking life, yo. Anyways, this is the one I was talking about. And why do I have just one single guy? Why do I have just one single guy? That feels so. Oh, I remembered the freaking shotgun keys. Shit, damn. I thought I forgot those. Ouch. But okay, shit. This is gonna be massacre. Iceberg. Let's just play on any server. Celebrate the. Okay, so when my mock examinations would finish, basically the club penguin would be down. Where the hell is the emotional music when you need it? When you need it, like, seriously. Oh wow. Yeah. I don't want to do that. Oh, this is so peaceful. Oh shit, where the hell did I just went? Yes, object pooling would count as optimization. I still need to try that out myself, honestly. What's the oh. Oh, wait, I remember this place. Oh my god, I'm gonna talk trash here. I bet so many people are gonna leave my stream. Oh my god. No, you know, I don't have the courage to get banned. Tires up. Yeah, take that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna mute this. How do I mute it? Okay. I've been okay, I see obsessed. I need to sleep because I have school tomorrow. Make sure you UMP stream next week. Okay, Grandpa. Thank you for calling me Grandpa. I'm still a warrior, but thank you. I'll definitely mark. Oh my god, what the hell is happening? I hear a lot of sounds. Oh shit, I see someone. Oh shit, shit. Yeah, see, this is some next level shit, man. Oh shit, I almost died. Alright, I'm gonna die, you know, if I keep playing this dumb. Holy shit. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, hell, freaking finally. Honestly, guys, I'm doing nothing, so this is basically the end of the stream. I'm just gonna spend my night playing this game. Shit, I'm gonna die, ain't I? Oh shit, I'm all out of bullets. Shit. Oh boy. Yeah, by the way, where sorry, Eagle Hunter, your jokes are just too much for me. I can't help but take them seriously. Thanks for streaming. Yeah, thanks man. Thanks for joining me, Dragon Eye. It was amazing. And honestly, this game could be perfect, honestly. It could be like the next COD, definitely. Not Battlefield COD. It really, the mechanics are really similar to Call of Duty, and the graphical wise, it's kind of amazing. It's kind of fun as well to play. And you got all sorts of pawn, and they keep on spawning and shit. I think it's multiplayer as well, honestly, but I have no clue. But anyways, guys, that's about it. I'm gonna play some Club Punk and maybe, you know, throw some snow balls around. Yeah. And I'm gonna just get myself banned from here. Probably not. But anyways, guys, I hope it was fun. Yeah, because I definitely can tell that you guys didn't learn anything from this, but yeah. Gotta get the code. Okay, what was my code? What? You won't be disappointed. Okay, let me just scroll up and just see. What was the code? The animation tutorials are coming your way. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, won't be disappointed. Okay, so coming my way. Is that the catchphrase? Is that it? All right, let me try to say that in a more epic voice. The animation tutorials are coming your way. Won't be disappointed. Fuck, I really need a cam to show my Lenny face. It's terrific. Trust me. I've been practicing this shit since I was born. Like, no shit, this is actually a fact. Like, I have this very weird Lenny face, like which is like which I've been practicing since I was freaking born. I don't know why I've been doing that. I don't know. Maybe I've been preparing for it all my life just for this moment. Yeah. Maybe. I'm gonna trash talk. Oh shit, no! I wrote tit. Okay. Wait, which voice? Honestly, I don't know which voice. I was actually trying the gentleman voice. That was a terrible voice, but I was trying to be a gentleman. Like I try to I try to do different ones. Like I don't know. I try to talk like this. Like sometimes I'm just sitting and I start talking to myself. It's like weird. Is that the one in your profile pic? What is my profile pic? The gentleman? Yeah, maybe I'm gentlemanly in my profile pic. Say that when he went to the moon. Someone give this guy a goddamn cookie, okay? These jokes just crack me up. Maybe I'm just too weak against memes and jokes and shit. Oh yeah. Actually, my profile pic is from 2015, so it's pretty darn old. If you want my latest profile pic, go to my Facebook, and my current profile pic on Facebook is shit. If you want nudes, I can send you those. I'm just kidding. I've never taken any single nude of mine. I'm such a pure. I'm really pure, you know. I believe in world peace. Like, you know, the nude piece shit. What am I talking about anymore? I don't know. I've definitely taken this stream down afterwards. It would be horrible to have it on. Anyways, guys, hope you guys sort of enjoyed and had fun. And it's shit. It's almost 3 a.m. I've been streaming for 3 hours and 11 minutes. Dang it. Well then, anyways, guys, this is it. This is the moment of truth, and I will be leaving everything here. And, just let me close this stuff, and I don't know, close scored and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be just leaving now, and it was amazing. Like I'm not gonna try to be formal anymore, like I am with my tutorials, like and the stream right now. But it was amazing to have you guys over, and I will see you in the next one. So I don't know, peace out. I believe in world peace. Bakes and FPS. Well, yeah. Sometimes you gotta follow your grandfather's dreams. You know, lost conflict. You will understand when you grow up. Yeah, you definitely will understand your grandfather's dreams. But that includes dreams from high school DxD as well, by the way. So beware if you've not already watched that anime. Yeah. Bye. See ya all. Peace out. Da la la la. Don't know what I'm doing and I'm okay. Can you do a video in Pro Builder? Oh, actually I can. What a coincidence. I love that shit. Ta-da! I don't know. Should I stop it? Okay, see ya. Deck memes. See ya. Yeah, deck memes. See ya. Shit, I don't know when I'm gonna stop seeing ya, but I will see ya. Yeah. Oh, anyone wants to listen to my opera? Oh my god, this is gonna be loud. I can actually do a really nice opera tone stuff, you know. If you probably know of that, but I can do it. Okay, I'm not gay. I can do it. All right. Okay, bye. God damn it. Yeah, I'm still on. That's right, baby. Oh my god, I don't even want to act like the baby stuff. Okay, I'm just a decent man, a simple man who. I'm definitely not a weeaboo. Okay, I can assure you that. Okay, so that will be it, guys. You're gone. Good. Okay. Now it's time to sleep. Bye. Okay. See ya. See ya, David Nail. That was amazing to have you. Your name is really cool, by the way, yo. Yeah. And you got a cool picture as well of a cartoonish avatar, yo. Yeah. Definitely. Yep. Yeah, you got a really cool picture. Helnar. What? No. No, I'm not healing. Okay. My voice is terrible, okay? My opera voice, I mean, I literally start coughing after 10 seconds of doing that. I can do it for 10 seconds, though. See ya. For real now, okay? I need to be quick. See ya. See ya. I can't stop it. Can't stop this, can't stop this, can't stop this, can't stop this, can't stop this. I'm definitely stopping the stream in like 5 minutes, okay? Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. I'll be sure to be like good luck on my exams. I'll try my best for that. Because honestly, I'm so far they're going. I mean, I'm so far preparing for them, all right. But yeah, I'll try my best to prepare even better. Hopefully. Electronic Wimes. Yeah, this one. This one. I got it. Bye, bye, guys. Bye, bye. See ya. Freaking turn up the volume. God damn it. Shit, this is way too freaking emotional. I'm starting to remember my funeral. Bye bye. See ya. I'll definitely send you nudes, don't worry. Yeah, just inbox me, PM me up. Yeah, or you can just search potatoes on Google, you'll see my nudes. Yeah. There's some amazing ones, you know. Shit, I might as well listen to this song now that I'm here. Oh, William, sub. Yes, it's the sad music. Sad music is finally here. Gotta add some sad music so you guys won't leave. Oh my god, it's actually increasing. Stop watching my stream, yo. I'm gonna go sleep. God damn it. Okay, I'm finally off my chair. Foop the music. Just end the stream. Just stop watching my stream. I can't damn end it. I'm not even at my mic anymore, okay? I'm freaking away from it. I think I've got my bed right beside me, so I'm sleep. And this is good music, man. But I'm seeing the tutorials for Yancy for a week. Sad music. Keep the videos up, they're dope. Yeah, thanks, William. My ears, fucks this shit, man. Okay, let the music end. Okay, I'll finish the stream the moment it ends. All right. Alright, like check this stat. Just a couple of minutes. All right, just give me a couple of minutes. I like a minute, 1 minute. Yes, your profile will. Sorry, your profile picture. What? I just mixed picture with. No, what? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Thanks for having me, everyone. Let the music end, and I will surely see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Pew, 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 pew.